bro. You don't want to do things. You don't want to do things so much and so bad. Just chill, brother. Bro, what?
Sorry. Take me down.
What go on? Moderator, I'm gonna stop do that moderator, man. Moderator, I'm gonna stop do that moderator. Moderator, I'm gonna stop do that moderator, man. Me you know over there say me at 38. Some say me at 36. Someone say me at 37. Someone say me at 35. Someone say me at 33. You don't know that a blood clotting. That's what me just say when I talk. You don't know one bumbo clot to go on. And Triple, you say far as you know me at 36. Triple and me are your friend and you know my real age. True, me come mess up and tell people my wrong age every day. Come on, Triple man. That me just ask you a break, brother. And I know where all of this stem from on a pussy dog. All on a pussy dog. And I see wanna come and try to, bro. Me see wanna come and try to. Me see wanna come and try to, bro. And me now make you no get the best of me. In a no farmer way. Go suck on the mama. Brawling. Big man thing. Me I tell you no. Me come here, you know, I calm me down. Stop it, bro. Me not come this and that and this and that. And we on the fast in the people life, so. Today, me not come, first me I come over here for a man, you know. First, me I come over here for a man. Me even stroll, because I don't want to see none of what that I go on. Me even stroll, brother. I don't love it alone, bro. Big man thing, dog. You just well want people beat me, bro. You well want people beat me, bro. I'm used to this, bro. Me used to this. The other day, whole on the do it on my side and me figure it out. How when me and Jaden turn the whole on the turn against me. Me used to this. Me used to this. And at first, me I go through it. This is something me can come back off of. Me used to this. So all who not beat me no make no sense, brother. Me used to this, dog. Me used to this, and from day one, me I go on with this, bro. So when you come on, I can go on like, where, me used to this. And I know for now, just company media for perfect phone relationship. You don't use for a relationship to make phone feel better, but it worse. Don't come tell me nothing, brother. User, okay. Nobody has say anything I say, so be case. You see me? So you're gonna just pull off from energy, bro. Pull off from energy, dog. Pull off from energy, bro. Some of the business we don't want to say. My business we don't want to say. And that to unbox me. And that come box me. Then can bash me all them blood clot one. For them blood clot bash now go nowhere. Then can sit down and bash me all them blood clot one. For them bash now go nowhere. For them bash now go away. And a blue pill alone, honey pack too. I love the honey pack, you see. Honey pack, me cock teeth. Honey pack too. Don't forget the honey pack. Don't forget the honey pack too. Don't forget the honey pack. Don't forget the blood clot, the honey pack. Don't forget the blood clot, honey pack. You say like, what do you think you make a blood clot that? Don't get the honey pack. Don't get the blood clot. You see? You gotta get you on the pack. One more blood clot time. On the pack, my cock teeth. Yeah. And some man, me no want, some man, ex-young people, some man pussy what, you know, they can come in and my blood clot, come inside, come go like, come and tell me off the road. And when the people them are rub my blood clot, you know, can't go defend me. Eh? From morning, me no see one who turn on the live and blood clot defend me. I can't talk up for blood clot, but I just love when the people them rub me. Come here, tell us something, I go block someone after this, you know. Me say I go block someone after blood clot, this. Remember me tell you now. Yeah? You are telling me to lick out my mother and have nothing to do with me. Hmm? And triple, certain question over there, I ask triple, me can't believe, I say what I say. What triple there? Because certain question that triple ask, me can't believe, say triple said the question there. Me and a friend.
Yes.
So how you do me so?
It is not doing you know where you always feel so when somebody not agree with you, they not like you.
No, but me ask her why you do me so like
How me
literally
do
so.
you? How me do you?
You do me ash over there wicked, bro.
How?
You deal me like triple, you deal me like yo, me I tell you how you deal me triple, I'm gonna be real, bro.
How me deal with
I'm gonna tell you how you deal me like a something with me now. Show you and call you about the situation, bro. I made a reason about the situation already. How much time? Me tell you before it reach even me that say me and Yannick no there together and we left. Me tell you how much time about that, me and your reason how much time.
yeah,
You can't come.
but
Triple, me reason, Triple. Me reason with you, Triple. Me a reason with you now, Triple. I mean, I care who want agree with me or who no want agree with me. Me I tell you this, Triple. Real talk. I mean, I shout her now on a level. Me I got to deal with it on a big man level right now. And a real talk. Because certain things where you ask the girl over there and you not be fair.
Like
and certain
what?
things where the girl asks you or the woman asks you, you not be fair. A mind game a play. So come show you a mind game. And the thing, a girl asks you like this, say, if you and somebody not together, and a man tell you says you and somebody not together, what would you do? And you still a force the girl start about baby mother, baby mother. I come and tell you, say, me and Yannick is not together no more. So if I want to be on the road with 15 blood clot girl, I could be on the road with 15 girl because me and her is not together no more. If I said no, me and Yannick to get together no more, and me and Yannick together, and me sneak round, and me I do what me I do. Okay, you come to beat me. We are not together no more. Not because I'm driving the car, I'm driving around and do is what? I'm paying for it. If that be the case, the other day when they take the car, don't tell me to go get back the car because your credit. Wanna stop dealing with me like me as some fucking monster,
Yes, I was listening, we're talking about
I'm talking to you, Triple,
together.
because I hear your talk. I hear your talk and I listen to you. I hear your talk and I listen to you. I know what time to talk. And I told you guys this on months on top of months. And Loyal didn't break up me and Yannick. Loyal didn't come between me and Yannick. Loyal have nothing to do with me and Yannick. For again, me and Loyal been messing around before in a 2024. When I got, even the night when I got shot, me and Loyal wasn't talking. And I put that on everything. And you, and like you said, right after me get shot, me can go back and have sex. When me get shot, me couldn't even work my body. So me I tell you now, I see what I go on. Listen, dog, you just stop talking and come and say, Chippy, and me explain myself. Me not shout, bro. This you call reasoning, bro. Come on. Now, Triple, you say you and your man left. You move on, he move on, right? You think it's right to come on the media and still bring me down like a preacher, like me, you're still there, I'm still at the wicked things to you. That's what you making it look like. That's what you making it look like I am selling this girl dream, but still want to be with you. But I already told you from January that we are broken. We left. So nobody come triple and act
Hey, yo, you
like
said from January. We had talked about from last year, August. When me and Lawyer was on the screen, she was saying you were not together in August.
listen what me I say. Listen what me I say. Listen to me. Listen what me I say.
January.
Listen what me I try say. Listen what me I say. Cause you're not hear what me I say. You talk about for last year, August. You talk about the boat ride. The boat ride that we go on. Right? Things good on your hill from this. Me try work because the kids. But you see from this mouth start run. And I try to work on it. And even I tell Loyal. I tell her, yo, me I try work. This and she said to me. This is what she said to me, bro. So I said, yo, me I try do this, bro. Stop make it look like me I come over here and they say this. When me say to you now, January now, when the police thing happen, me turn to her, bro, and me say, dog, we over, bro. We over.
Alright, you said that in January. Granted. This is how we are talking about now from 2024, come at 2025, come on now.
No,
so you are talking about
triple. Triple, you are talking triple right now. Listen what me I say. Listen what me I say. You are talking to Akeem now. 2024 don't have nothing to do with it. Loyal wasn't the girl. Loyal wasn't the only one I was sleeping with 2024. Don't come to me and make it look like 2024 was nothing. Come on. We grown, Triple. Your ass we are trying to make it look like I want weird. Talk to me and talk to me, Fox. We are talking about this right now. We are acting right
now. So when you say, you tell me so not to get, you said January. This all stems from the picture come out from the boat ride, and that's what you're not understanding. You keep on saying that she bring it to the media. It wasn't she, and that's what I'm saying. And the picture make we know from the boat ride.
Me tell you this over and over again, and I tell you this over and over again. I feel like you try to make me look like the bad person, and I reason with you over the phone. So when I see you come and do this triple, me feel some type of way for real.
What you mean she want talk? I explain herself.
No, listen to me. Listen to me.
So me have to make she talk and voice her opinion.
Listen to me, I say triple. Listen to me, I say triple. You make it sound like me are some wicked and me a pussy. I come to you more than several times and I reason with you. Right?
And it's several times
triple.
It's fuck.
I come to you and I reason with you more than several times about this situation. And when I was talking to you, I told you once, said I want to fix this. Never. Never. Did I told you once, said I want to fix this? Never, right? So, oh, you make it look like, or Uno make it look like me a lead on Yannick to something where me want, but me I tell other people things.
Nobody
this is what me a
reason.
Like no, listen, Triple, you ask me I use media and them thing against me. Me a reason now when me a talk of the media and
phone. Not about no leading on.
Listen, Triple, Miss Triple, I am talking to you about something when me I talk to you now. You never come to me and say, yo, where you talk on media. I talk to you after here a lot of time. Me tell your friend in a December with a check. Me tell your friend this with everything with the stalking. Me tell you how she bring me Tory to me enemy them. And when you read January, me tell you how the police thing go. I've been telling you this more than several times.
And when you tell me after what you do, you bring it right on the media for everybody know. And what that do now?
People, stop it. Stop it,
you
Triple.
keep on the settings in a confidence and you blur
stop
it out.
Triple. I didn't, Triple. Stop it. You are unfair if you say that I bring this to the media. You are lying on my name. You are lying on my name. You're not supposed to do that.
Well done.
How did I bring it on the media?
Well done. Are you come ball it out over here?
Say what?
Body check, but all of them a pussy clot there. Are you come confirm it? You never
What
have
the
to say,
hell?
I don't care how I ask you. Word dog, me ask you 1,000 times. Stop talk these things. Stop say these things. Don't you come like
What
the
the
more
hell?
you the more you chat.
What the hell? Triple,
We
are
mean
you
what the
hearing what
hell?
you saying? You put triple, are you hearing what you saying?
Alright, who do it then,
Oh
word
my
dog?
fucking God. Are you listening to what I'm saying, Triple? Stop it, bro. I didn't once ever come and vent about the check until the other day. Blame them been a Yannick voice note. Blame them still a talk about it. I the one didn't know about
I
it.
know now we never believe or pay no mind until confirm. You have a thing them confirmation, word dog. It is
No, you
speculation
cannot say
until
that.
confirmed.
Triple dog. You want me look bad, brother.
I
You
don't
just
want
want
you
me
to
look
look
bad,
bad,
bro.
but
You
you
want me
not.
look bad, bro.
Word dog,
You
all
want
you
me look
have to
bad,
do,
bro.
I just shut up. That's
No.
all you have to do.
No.
You can't do that.
Yeah.
Your ego bigger than your livelihood.
Yeah,
You know
try.
You know
Triple,
what?
but you
Stop
say
it
nah
like
make no
that. No
sense to me, dog.
point.
Yeah, well, no, you just dip on one side and you just feel like
It is not one side. Me beg yourself to stop bring this. Una talk some things I can't get it on in a fucking problem. And you don't. It's like una business and it's a serious thing. This.
triple, you be unfair.
Oh
You
my
be
God.
unfair. You be unfair. You is being unfair.
How?
You are be unfair. Cause a months, you need the palm name, I'm not saying nothing. Months. I'm over here, so I'm a wallet until man starts timing in the street.
Nobody
Don't do me
says
that.
she right, but she a
No,
woman
Triple,
world
don't
dog.
do me that,
She's
Triple.
a
A
woman.
months
You
me I
coulda-
want this, Triple.
But
Don't
if
do
you
this,
never
Triple.
address
Don't
it,
do this, Triple.
if you
Don't
never
you dare do that, Triple. Don't you sit here and don't make me look like me I want pussy wall. A month me ignore it. A month me do it until me tell you, say, the man see me in a party and come to me about a Lambo. That's the first time I come and explain myself. Don't do this with me, Triple. You're making me look bad. Don't do this to me, Triple. The first time I came about this is when time I come on live. I was keeping church. And I keep the song say, my cup overflowed. And I burst out and said, you know what? Somebody see me in a party last night and said, the car, I talk about the car. That's how they start. Don't come and say, I bring nothing on the media when me not come and say. You don't say that to me, Triple. Listen what me I say, bro. Don't make me look like me at this pussy wall. Me not like that, Triple. I come and I defend my name. You don't have a brother to see how you feel. You're a top man from the street. And people are tell us, say, your enemy them are tell us, say, bro, you're a pussy. Your woman can come tell me, say, we dey on the phone bill. Them time I'm a liar, no serious. Yo, you're there on your woman phone bill. That's why your woman track you. Your woman can't come tell us, say, oh, triple and your woman attack. Woman this and that. Bro, man, I'm a bomber clot alien, you know, bro. Me are not alien, me a human being like any blood clot body else. Me come and me beg you, even you, Triple. And me see you come here and say, do me this, dog. Me hurt you. Because you are where me vent to you. Me vent to you, dog.
You realize you're
coming
vent
on
to
me
me, I've
garage.
never brought it to the media and you keep on doing it.
Let me talk to you, dog. Me come over here and me have a reason. And I said to you on the screen 3 to 4 weeks ago, and I vent to you for 4 hours, and I turned to you and I said, I will never, ever do this again. That's what I said to you, right? But instead of me going in the street and everything we are up in our house new, you still can't go road, go eerie. You still can't go road, go ear say, the buckle blue, and you jaggy buckle last night and cuss. You still can't hear say, the tire flat. You still can't come back and say, it closed up on the ground. Stop make me look like me come over here so a disrespect when me are raised about this. Oh, it look like, bro, me come and me take accountability, say, me cheat by Yannick. And I did accountability again and I said, when me and Yannick wasn't together, we go on the trip. Oh, now beat me if on a trip when me and somebody know they together. You go beat me on a trip. You and Solitary left and Solitary got Paris with a girl. You is gonna get mad, say you and Solitary left months and you go solitary go on a trip. We are talk like adult now. I mean, now you beat around the bush. I want you to answer me like an adult right now. If you claim say you're solitary left, and you go and solitary go up on a trip, right? Why you are get vexed? Say you got solitary go up on a trip. Why? And why you just answer me either. Listen what me I say. Why you just answer me either. Why you don't get mad or why you don't get mad? Because you and the man left months. So why you still in your feelings? Say me I do something. Why you still in your feelings? All right, let me ask you something. Let me ask you something again. One more thing again. I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna allow you to make a talk after this. Let me ask you something. You live in our house with somebody, and somebody where you live with, you're not picking a problem with them. The person is going to Jamaica. She purposefully packed the suitcase in my room. For sure, say, I mean, this is what I tell you off live. So I know why you come and act like you don't know what I tell you about. She purposely packed the suitcase in my room with polo underpants, polo t-shirt, polo slippers, and whole heap of weed grinder, camera for house, and I watch her pack the suitcase. She leave to Jamaica, and I didn't call her one time. She sent a video to Bossiers when a man give her a rose and a champagne. This is when she was in Jamaica. I didn't go to DR yet. Let me ask you. No, turn on your blood clot, hey, Triple. Me ask you something. Let me ask you something. You go to Jamaica. You send one of my supporter a bottle of champagne and rose when man give you, and you say everything good. Me have a video on my phone. Me come and me say, okay, me no business. That's and last week me know that when she sent me a video when me had it on the phone, because we was on the phone. So me said, so boom, now I get the video and me see it. So oh no, me you left, you can go to Jamaica for 3 days. And me do what me have to do. Me still there house, take care of what me have to take care of. So oh me now, you want me show you? You want me show you?
No do that. Do
okay.
Me a no do that.
Okay. So hold on there. Oh, when me now take up myself and go to Jamaica, it's a problem, Triple. If you move out of house a week before that and left, so why if me go on a trip now, you say me you left, you go on a trip and me no bother you. So all my trip bother you when we show say we no there together.
Alright, hear me out. Just listen to me. We passed the trip stage. The trip is no longer.
Triple, I cannot talk to you no more. I cannot do it. And I swear to God, I have so much respect for you. I don't want to reach to a point where you have it. Listen what me say. The people never say me have a point and you just a beat around the bush. Every time I ask you something, you going around the fucking bush, and I have respect for you and I don't want me to go down that road. So you know what I do? It's best thing I don't say nothing.
Alright, you're going to say she have a problem because you go on the trip. Fine. What we are talking about now, what is the problem with us? We looking outside.
People, we didn't. So
what is the issue?
Chippy, I know say you are a one-sided person. You said forget about the trip. But 20 minutes ago, you have the girl in the box asking her about the trip. But now when I come, explaining the trip. Yes, you asked her about the trip. I was on your live.
Oh,
I didn't miss a beat. I didn't miss a beat. You asked her about the trip more than one time.
No, we're
and I
not
come to you now and me explain about the trip. You're too biased for real. Oh, you know, let me explain yourself and give me benefit I don't.
Alright, explain yourself, brother. Explain yourself.
Triple. People in the comment section, me know who want done with me and everything. You and somebody say you leave from January. I went on the trip in April. Me and Yannick no correspond. We no live alongside each other. Me sleep in a different room. I have it that we left. You leave and go to Jamaica before me. Pack your suitcase. You talk on phone. Make me hear every conversation where you want me hear. I let you be. Now, oh, me go on a trip. I am a cheater. We wasn't together. We wasn't together. So you tell me, Mr. Triple, you delusional enough for a big woman to say you're solitary left. 5 months and you go on a trip over there, Sarkos? Come on, may I ask you something? Answer me even once. Answer me even once. You are somebody left for 5 months and you're going to still go back and forth with somebody about going on a trip when you go on a trip earlier? May I reason with you now? Answer me, Triple. Would you do that? No. So why you make it look like me is a bad person?
Because I'm not making it look like you want to start from a point where that you want to cut off piece of the timeline and start where you want to start from and you can't.
Hold on, let me ask you something. Let me ask you something again. Hold on, let me ask you something again. You went on your trip, come back from Jamaica, you pack your suitcase, and I didn't search it one time. You come back literally in the room to unpack it and everything. I went on my trip and you searched all of my stuff them. If me and Yannick was together, I wouldn't go on a trip with Loyal because Loyal and me was supposed to go last year, October, for her birthday. And I give her 551 reasons not to go because I was still trying to be with Yannick and fix my family. Now, in January, when we go about the check and we have an argument and she called police on me, I told Yannick, I cannot be with you no more. She was trying to be with me and I said, Yannick, my point where you push me is, when you call police for me, any girl call police for me when me dead with, I walk away. And I'm here because the kids them same way. Me no come, me no try bash her. I talk to her many times after live. Let's do this for the kids. Stop go on live back and forth. Let's do this for the kids. Let's come together, save what we have to save, and do it for the kids. You can't, and I tell her, you can't have a man and me can't out here and do what me I do. Stop make it come like me out here a cheat upon you. Listen what me I say to you right now. Sons were gone, me and Yannick never there together. Dolly Sunday when you're gone, me and Yannick never there together. And Yannick can tell me everywhere me go. She still provoke me. And I turn to her and I say, yo, please stop. If you are bring down somebody on the internet, so, and you deal with me, make people laugh after me, why you want to be with a man who you still make people laugh after? Make that make sense, Triple. If solitary, make a woman laugh after you. And I tell her, me say, bro, me and you can't get together no more. Me got Dolly Sunday. You diss me. You make it come like me and you're there. I'm a go out and cheat on you. We wasn't together. You me got sons. You come and you make it people that make it look like me a pussy wall. We wasn't together. Me and you not have sex, Yannick. Me and you not go together. Me not see you naked. You not see me naked. Me come in our room. Me try borrow the remote. You kiss your teeth. Me try deal with you respectable. Me come in and me still follow back at you. You come and you paint a picture for me because you have a narrative, have a TikTok, hate me. So you come and make them hate me more. I turn to you and I say to you again, I have the text on my phone. You say, I sorry I called police for you. Are you sorry you make your father disrespect me? And I said, your father turned to me and said, then go and put me side my mother. You turn to me and you say, you put your father in place and this won't happen again. And I turn to you and say, Yannick, me know what me do wrong. Me cheat for you and I'm willing to walk away because you called police for me. Tell me if I'm not grown, me grown. If you tell Yannick that. I wasn't cheating on Yannick and leading her on. I was telling her to her face that you call police on me. And I cannot live with that because I will feel like you're going to do it again. That's why I did what I did. No, I am a respectable man. If me and Yannick was still together and loyal disrespect Yannick, I would click this live and I will disrespect Loyal and I will bring her to the ground and I will tell her that you're too bright for you take people, man. I mean, now left me blood clot woman, suck out Yannick tongue, lick her upon her body, have sex with her. I feel me wife this. You can't come mash up my home because I am not a careless man. I am a man who every woman me there with me protect full force. And that me there do with Yannick until we break up. When Kevin did come out and say, Yannick have the herpes and they give man and that's why man I shoot them. Me threaten Kevin and me and Yannick wasn't together. Kevin said, Yannick this him first. I leave it alone. If Loyal lep on the live and she want ear and them thing there, me nah make nobody this me woman when me there with. And if me and Yannick was together, Loyal could do what she had do. Cause a 1 year me a fuck Loyal before nobody on this blood clot planet find out. 1 year and couple months. So tell me now, if I was still with Yannick, would I sit here and make Loyal disrespect Yannick? No. Yannick would sit here side of me right now. I would have say, go girl, it's just a one fuck you get. Me and my man still there so now when I house. It's the same Lambo where you're driving and me have a key right now. Do you have a key? Do you have this? People don't see the point where me I try make. Do you not see the point where me I try make?
Alright, hear what? Come
No,
here.
not hear what me I say.
When she called police for you, when was that?
January.
January.
Hold on. Me have a picture. Wait.
And you say once
Well, I'm
somebody
not
call-
be triple man. You ask me.
Alright.
I'm not like
Me
you.
Me just did one.
This is what me I say. I'm not like you. I am gonna deal with it and answer you by answer. I'm not stay like you. You're not gonna beat run a bush. Let me tell you. Hold on there. Hold on there. January 16, everything start.
Alright. And you say once somebody call police for you that you're done.
Yes.
So you actually done from January.
Yes.
Alright. So now listen to this. And this is why you feel like me against you or something, but you're sending mixed signals because how can you send this message the 1st of March? Listen. Happiest birthday, my love. Hope you are wonderful. Have a wonderful night. Tonight, I will be waiting on you. I love you with all my heart. And nothing can stop that. Big up for everything you have done for me. But today, it's all about you. You get the mixed signals? You get it?
Hold on. Read the top of that. Read the top of that. She not said the top of that. Hold on,
No, she post it on her story and I mean she
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Hold on, me restart. Don't move. Me restart.
Don't restart.
Me I get restricted.
Don't
I look
restart.
me live in the frost. I am coming.
Hold on. See message ya. Hold on. Hold on. See message ya. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on there. Since your screenshot message, hold on. Hold on. Me I look for the message right just right now. What you put there? What time you say me send the message?
March 1st.
What time?
1:39.
1:39. Even though my birthday still can make me still feel special, although we are not together.
What you mean?
You know, you what me just read. Even though we are not together, my birthday still can make me feel special.
Well, I don't see that part, you know. In
So
this
you're not screenshot everything, you're not screenshot everything.
It's she posted on her story. I don't know what the message, but her response to you was, "Thank you, my love. I love you with all my heart."
True, you're one-sided, chipper. You're one-sided for real.
Me no one side.
You're
Me a try
one-sided
show
for
you
real.
say, yeah, so no done, but
The people them say me come off my life because you're one-sided.
The people them no mean you no good.
If the people
Them
if
no
you
mean
can't see
no
screenshot,
good.
if you can't see top of the screenshot there, and you only can read out the top, and then you only say you see the part there, and I take
The
from me and
top
tell
of
you,
it
you're
says you want
one-sided.
the mortgage to deposit and pay since I'm going. It does match this top of the screenshot not say nothing else. The top of the screenshot is about mortgage.
Okay. You're one-sided.
Me bumbo. Well, dog, the top of the screenshot doesn't say anything about that. It's a talk about mortgage. The top
You
of the
are
screenshot says
one-sided.
you
And you try to
want
put
me
everything
to.
for me.
You want me to deposit some mortgage or whatever. What y'all say? Let me tell you something. You see them people there, they don't mean you no good. They just want you come and cuss and galang or you galang and bring down this and bring down that. They don't mean you no friggin' good. No friggin' good. Can you see people that won't mean you good when they tell them a fuckery? They that tell you the same thing when me I tell you and if it stop the noise. And stop coming to talk. Can you see the more you talk, you make things worse. And I truth. Because you sit down, you're holding things and then you explode it. And that is nothing good. Comfort. The problem is not where Udo go want to do whatsoever. The problem is all I said to Lyle, and you know what me feel said to? You vex said the people them against Lyle. And that you know. I don't think he born you say them a beat you and you born you say we are beat Lyle. And me tell you already why me feel the way me feel towards her. Because she should have never said certain things and I don't care. It look away. And me say it to her at the end of the day, me not cuss her, but it just don't look good. And me feel a way about
Me tell you, you want me come, and you want me come and beat people when I forget beat.
Nobody know why you beat.
That you want me do. You want me come and beat people when I forget beat.
Alright, so if you beat Lyle, what that all do to me, word dog?
So that me I try to show you.
So all if you want you come and beat her.
And that you want me do. You want me come and beat the girl. And you want me come and say me and Yanni did there. And me know for what me I do. You want me answer you everything when you say. Me I ask you. But me as somebody in there, how me can cheat on them? Me as somebody in there, how me can cheat on them? Ask Yannick and hold on then. Ask her if me and her did have sex on her birthday. Me I ask you something right now. Did me and Yannick have sex on her birthday? Let me ask you something. Me I ask you. Let me ask you something. Ask Yannick since she posted that message. Ask if we did have sex on her birthday. You there beat me?
Yes.
No, you show everything now. Can we ask everything now? Come we ask everything now. Let's talk. You see, you don't have beat me about dirty man already. And anything there. Hold on. But I ask you something. Answer the question there. Ask her if me and her have sex on her birthday or doing my birthday or any other March of time. Ask Yannick if me and her have sex doing February, doing Valentine's Day, any time of that. Come on, man.
My son, oh, Jesus.
Say me there, so we can't dare and do what we want to do, brother. We not
Yes,
together,
you
brother.
can do what you want to do. Me not telling you to do what you want to do. Yes, you can do it. You miss the point. The
What
point
point?
of what happened last night, World Dog, the point of everything was blurred out. Only that me feel like we know so no life. We know so you move on with your life.
So Triple, you ask me.
Triple, move on.
Triple. Hear me answer, Triple. You will say, what triggered this last night? You have eyes and see what triggered it last night. Everybody have eyes and see what triggered it last night. Everybody have eyes and see. So when you ask me what triggered it last night?
No, ask you, I'm telling you, so that is what is happening now. That is what the cause of all of this is terrible.
But Triple, why?
Because
Triple, you're going to get a picture. I'm vexed because a picture where already take from January, from August, and the girl
not
post
about
a
the
6 challenge
picture.
picture.
It's not about the picture. It's about the show up thing. It's about the styling thing and not the picture. And the fact to say the car in a fear name and you put say you decide to take it for a spin and them something that triggering World Dog.
But Triple, look how much bamba clock time I tell you if you take the car, I should have want it. So if you don't let the car park up and I can't take what I do with it and me a pay feet. Stop calling me a blood clot idiot and me a pay feet. And me say take care, you don't want it. So if me want to drive the car and me a pay feet. But if you start being biased.
Yes, you
listen
can
what me
drive
say.
anytime you
Listen
want
what me
drive.
say.
Yeah, you
Triple, you
buy.
make it look like me a pussy one. If I tell you to take the car, where you want me to call the steering? You're all rotten.
It is
You
not
are
about you
telling me-
driving. You
Triple.
know what's the problem on you driving the car. You must
Listen what me I
stop
say.
it.
Listen what me I say. Listen what me I say. Let me ask you something now. The car is in Yannick's name. The next car is in my name. Right? Oh, Yannick can drive the car go Orlando. Anywhere where she want drive it go. I'm gonna call her and say, who you have in that car? When me know a whole heap of people in that car.
So if one man they drive the car now I say, me drive this anytime I want drive it. What you would have come say?
Nothing. Come here and I not together.
Lie.
Not together.
Me know you better than that. That's a damn lie.
You don't know me because you don't know me age.
We would have survived.
You don't know me because you don't know
over
me
here.
age.
We
Can you tell the
would
people
have
them say me are
survived it over.
36?
You know you're 36.
You don't-
Because
you
you're
don't-
36 here too, 36. We would have
Listen what me I
survived it
say.
over your World Dog if I didn't get
Me, listen what me I say. Me now go feel no way because we are not together. I am doing the same thing. How can you vex if you are doing the same thing, Triple? I am grown. That's what I'm here telling you. I cannot be mad. I am doing the same thing. How can I be mad of you doing something that I'm doing the same thing? Okay. Listen what me I say. You take your car, you're gone. You are do what you do. Fine. Me no care. You in a one bunch of place with a bag of people. Me no care. You take me picnic. You say you go to Disney World and you book Airbnb and hotel. When me hear in my background, man I talk about gun and then sitting there. So you tell me I say right now, you tell me I say right now, say. Everything when me do you say, me no fi talk, me fi just watch it. And guess what me do? Me no come on live and I didn't say nothing. You know what I did to her? And listen what I did. Me picked in my house and I heard on the screen record say, I wish man in a house, and all the man them in here sleep with my gun. All the man them on my ends asleep with gun. All man fear my gun on ends. I got this arm in my rise up on next gun. Me pitney gone. Right? Me pitney gone. Me hear loyal tell her say, me spend Father's Day with her. Me pitney spend Father's Day somewhere else. Hold on, let me tell you something. So, me can take up my phone and say to Yannick, say, Me hear man, a trigger gun, round my son and I talk about gun. Don't make me find one today and get mad. Right? How you feel if you see what me say that? 5 other people can send me a voice note. 5 minutes after that I say, stop threatening your woman. If me hear say man have gun around my pitney and they trigger up my blood clot gun around my pitney, and me send you a voice note and say, don't bumbo clot make no man do that around my pitney. My pitney birthday. And me send you a voice note and say, don't make me come over there and go like no one. Disrespect me. Oh, and me send you a voice note off the ear. Me not bring it on the ear. Me not bring, I me never come over here and say nothing. And me I come tell you this now. Me come off my ear and me link you. And the link when me link you, you know, reply to me. You save the voice note. And you send it around to 5 people. And people can call me and say, you know say, you have to stop voice note, Yannick, because everything she has sent can give me. Triple. You make you look like me a deadbeat and sitting there, bro. Me tell Yannick say, all of what me I do. Me tell Yannick say, me done. Me in her house same way, she dep on phone, she throw a word. Me not do nothing but laugh. The other day when Yannick I play music in her house, I throw a word. And she a play a song. Me in her room upstairs, and me say, pull up selector. And then when she start, me drive out the car and me left. Me drive out the car and left. Last night again, when she dep on the live, and she say, witty, 20, man. Me in I show her, me come out and me show out me and me say, selector! Play the song there again. And me give benefit, I doubt. Now again, you know me, I look for you and me I ask you something. You are solitary of a youth? Okay. Solitary, baby mother come to you and say, me a fuck solitary. And you say, prove it. And she come back to you and say, watch her now. Me I prove it to you. And then she call you upon FaceTime and show you solitary in her bed. How you da feel? No answer nothing else but that. How you da feel?
No mad out.
Okay. Yesterday, Jaden text me and say, what you say, me can't put your girl in a box or your baby mother in a box? Watch ya. And same time by time if you reply, Jaden go in a Yannick box and he told him I laugh after me. Pussy wall hero. So, Kema, what you say, me can't come in at this? Oh, you think would I feel? No, you just reply to me and tell me say you feel.
But that is...
Triple, you just reply to me and tell me say you would feel like
yes,
a pussy wall.
but that...
So how would I feel? Stop making it look like me come and cheat down Yannick and they beat down Yannick and they do them something there. Yannick, Triple, I never... Listen, I never... Triple, I never ever... Listen me. You have a son in our street. And you have your son in our street and people are look for your son as a woman beater. And you know say your son never put your hand on his girlfriend. How you da feel? You're there party and man I say, me see what Yannick got you in about stop beating girl. I never in my life, entire life, put these 2 hands on Yannick. Never. So all you think, mother blood clot, feel, see, you're there in a party, and a man come to you and say, yo dog, me see everything we are going on, but stop put your hand on the woman. Bro, me never ever put me hand on Yannick yet. And the people them over here say I lie. Triple, me never put me hand on Yannick yet. Never. I never. Triple, never in a history. Triple Yannick, I'm a baby mother. So all you da feel, this the man I say, you put your hand on your woman in the house. Then think that we make you lose your street credit. And every man out there, so we agree with you. When you beat woman, you will lose people over that. You will lose supporter.
So when she went say you fight her, when you did call, when she did call the police that time there?
Yes.
So why the police call? Why she call the police?
Okay, let me tell you how that going on. I was right here in the room. Listen. Right, that's all. I'm gonna put this pan, it pick me where me a Yannick have. You see, it pick me where me a Yannick have, we there in our room. Me and Yannick start from the workplace. the workplace, me and Yannick start from our workplace. Me say, Yannick, me feel like you disrespect me and duel with the check thing behind me back. And you know you make my baby mother a laugh after me. She come from work and she come in and she said, so what we're gonna do about it? And I sit in this chair. And I sit in this chair burning my wheel. And she come and she talk and she said, well this, well that, me not left, and this and that, me not left in the house, and you not give me money. And I get up out the chair. She was here like this. And I get up out the chair. And I say, Yannick, move out of my way. Triple me no say so. Go ahead, girl. Go ahead, girl. Because so move out of my way. He can't. Wait. This and that. Let me call. He lick me. He beat me. The police come and the police say, Yannick, if the man they put his hand on you, would have see mark. Where? The police ask Yannick, say, where he put his hand on you? The police say, Yannick red triple. If me they put me hand on Yannick, would have got jail. If me they put me hand on Yannick, would have got jail. Triple, a 7 blood clot can come around here. When the officer say you have the right to remain silent, anything you use can against the law and the law. But triple me need start blood clot shake. I mean, I'm my 2 sisters them on the phone. When the man say, officer, what me do? The man say, I know what we do. We get a call. I'm tell you what police officer tell me. We have to come out like this because it's a domestic call. I say, officer, I'm not put my hand on nobody. The officer say, you have the right, listen to me. The officer say, listen, me don't talk. You have the right to remain silent. Anything we use against you can use against you. And triple me start get blood clot, shake it. See me, Anya? And the officer said, no, stand up right there. You're not under arrest or detained. I say, okay. My sister on the phone and say, let them talk. And I say, officer, I'm show them what go on and how me move her. And the officer said, go over there and come back again and say, yeah, you should not call him. You sure did he put his hand on you? And Yannick say, yes. And the officer come back to me. And she them go in her house. And they ask the people them in her house. And the people them in her house say, no, he didn't. He just tell her to move. And the officer come back to me and say, the best thing what me I tell you to do right now, young man, because if we come back here and she said this, even if we not see no mark, we have to take you. Take your things and leave now. It's your house. We're not telling you to do this. But I advise you to take your stuff and leave now. I never ever put these 2 on. If me ever put them 2 on upon Yannick, take them away from me. So you tell me now, you're in a street and a man I tell you, say, you beat your woman. You're over here do your woman things. I have to feel some type of way. Because me now put me hand on blood clot Yannick, brother. Me not never do it. Me never ever do it. And me put that for me 3 blood clot put in them life. Especially my daughter was sick. And Father God, if I lie, me I tell you take away everything from me. Don't tell me how now you da feel when people say you're woman beater. Triple, me have name. A man see me a bar. Dog, here. Love you Lambo still, you know. But I ain't name me, you know. Your bad boy still a go on your thing. But if you stop put your hand on the woman, I feel like a pussy wall. Me just walk in a party and the dog, them say, world dog, they are chippy, they are mad dog. Them man a run TikTok, king of TikTok. And 2 man pull up on you and say, a woman beater. Me turn to, Triple, come here. I'm not telling no lie, I'm telling a real thing. We go to Yannick again and I say, Yannick, you see, if he's sick of kids, the kids them, I am going to be here and you be here. Let's do it for the kids. Let's do it for the kids. Me tell her that multiple times. Stop, let's bash each other on the internet. Let's do it for the kids. But let me tell you, and you see too, but you don't want to talk to Yannick, a friend. Yannick gets soaked into the media. And when she see the comment section and 600 people start go up, she start throw word in a song. And Yannick start drink. And when she start drink and she start throw a little word them in a song, And the people them start coming in the comment section and the boosts her up and the hype her up. She start to talk. She start to talk. And you see when she start talk, she just come one big person. And then he give her ego to come live every day now. So you see when she see all 200 people on the live, she not like it. She start play a song and throw a word. Man, I'm Lisa, my problem. So me left idiot. How much time? Listen, how much time Yannick go live? I'm a pass, I take up cup, Heineken, and everything. And I have respect. So I stretch far and I take it. Every time in the life, she come in for her phone, I bash me, I laugh. He might pussy well, he might this and that. He might take pill, he might do this and that. He might only pack, he might do this and that. Just to make me hear. The other day, I there on my stream with 4,000 people that clean my yard back and I come in at my house. And she come in and she provoke me. I listen again to you. One more thing I have to say to you. Me and Yannick not there together, bro. And no TV in our room when I sleep, you know. I take up my son tablet. And I go in the, when I take up the son tablet, because I was using it all day. But in the night when I take up my son tablet now, and I put in the password, I realize the password changed. So I said to boom now, and I text her and I say, why password for my son? She turned to me and she said, what you want? And then you buy, and Ray, you buy Amir one. Listen what she said, you buy Amir one. You did buy Azir one, you buy Amir one. I say, I want to watch movie. Text her right, that's how you know. Triple no say, Yannick, come over our live and come right at the door. And father, for lie me I tell, me I swear again, I'm a sick daughter alive. She come at the door and she say, you not buying a blood clot tablet, leave the tablet alone, me not getting a password. I say, You know what Yannick said to me? Yannick said to me, go suck your dead mother. That's the night when you hear the scream record when I say, if pussy, remember if you move your foot, me not drop. Yannick come in the garage and provoke me. She said to me, go suck your dead mother. And if I lie, me I tell, God take away everything. And I go back in there and I said to her, say, suck yourself, pussy. Remember if you move your foot, me not drop. And this the pan screen record again. She says she don't want to end her life because she fear for her life. Now, if a man now put his hand on you, why would you say something that pan the life? And expecting of yourself, say, me and you want to work things out. You come in my garage, where my mother daring to me. You could have tell me everything in the world in a move me. But once you could have said, suck your mother. But once you said dead, I go dig up your mother, me done with you. And you turn to me and say, go suck your dead mother. And you run back in a chair and I come in there. And I say, pussy, remember if you move your foot, me can't drop. And you did it on the life. Me don't want to end my life because me fear for my life. Triple them thing the man live with, bro. And people are see me and say, yo, watch him do this. Watch him do that. Watch him do this. Watch him do that. Me been a try do what me a do. Me been a try do everything. Even when me and Yannick left, me still a pay Yannick bills. Even up to today, me still a pay Yannick bills. Up until today. So when me come and me set a boom, and me do, dawg, come on, bro. Me talk to Yannick numerous times. Don't make you reach us up. Don't make you reach us up. Yannick, do your thing. Go on what you do. Do what you do. Triple. One night. March is 17. Me then I wrote from January with my dog. I promote one party with AJ when he been a chip. Me there on the live and me I promote the party all night. Listen again what me I say now. Listen what me I say now. She a go on like she perfect, you know. Listen what me I say to you. No, listen to what me I say. I want to know. Even though you don't like me in the comment section, listen what me I say to you in this one. Listen what me I say. One night, me I promote with my dog. Every night me there road with the dog. I give her flyers, me I buy buckle, me I do everything. March is 17, me there on my live. And me I promote my dog party, say me I go my dog party and rare. When it reach 12:30, Yanni text me say, watch the kids, I'm going out. So me turn, me go me any live same time, and me say, you know say, I'm a dog party. Where you go? I don't know your fucking dogs. I do business with your dog. I don't know them. All your fucking dogs are shit. All your dog are drunk, bro. I don't give a fuck about your dog. Ray. You need to watch your kids. I want to go out and enjoy yourself too. Anyway, we get somebody to watch the kids. Triple, when I reach at the fucking event, I see Yannick walk past me with about 6 girls and 3 man. I was opening the NSC like this to throw it out and I put it back and I left the party. I said I feel so fucked up. Imagine, you say you don't know the man. You carry the pitney them, we up a blood clot, Fort Lauderdale. We pitney, we little baby, figure a party. With the man where you just accused me say you don't know my friend and my dog shit. Let's be fucking real, Triple. What you have to say about that? No, you tell me say, Solitary got road with blood clot, skipper. You got blood clot, let you pitney them and go, you got embarrassed blood clot, Solitary have a dog youth. Answer me. Answer me. Make your friend them a laugh after you. When Yannick walk past, see my friend them a mouth you. Watch hero. Cause they know say me and her left. Come on, me ask a question. If you and Solitary and Skipper go up on a show, you go put your pitney them or drive, go wait 35 minutes, go drop off your pitney them to go one party where you just cuss me about, where you don't know about. I am asking you a question, Triple.
No, but
Huh?
I wouldn't do that still.
A party where you say you don't know about. A man where you cuss me about this a party you don't know you drunk for them. You spite me, you get ready before me. And I left it pitney them from me. I said, dog, I'm a dog party. Me born March 9. Me I got my dog party 17. Me a plan for this. You see me I post too much time. And you get ready before me. Tell me say I left it with the kids them. When me tell you say, oh dog, me I got my party. You find a way. Drive go we are 40 go drop off the pitney them. Come back, take a look at you and then me see a nice same party where you cuss me about. A par with the same girl them. When I have no sense. None of these girl man now do nothing for them. Me sit down and me take care of you. And you make people where man now do nothing for them. Influence you for this me. I mean I want to get so deep into this because me said to myself say I'm not coming over here and this year again. Because me realize say this is what you feed into. Imagine me tell you say stay home with the kids them a guy party. Even though me and I left, I'm a pay marshal for watching you them, me still make you sleep at night time.
Oh, no, never left the time there.
Me take Amir out of bed.
So probably should want to see if you did it, if you did it
Listen
wrong,
to
man.
me. Listen to me I say.
And that's why.
Listen to me I say Triple. At night time, me take Amir out of bed and make Amir sleep with me. Amir and Azir sleep side of me. Amir, father, can I come with you? Me say yes. Not true me and you them, you go left you pitney them a jump around. Me know you have work in the morning. See what me do? I put the kids them to sleep and then I leave. If me do a fight against saying I know farm away, me do what me I do still. And you know me still I do things. Me not come on the fight against saying I know farm away, bro. Me say you know what? You gotta work, me still come and me do what me have to do. Even though me pay Marsha. Me come, first you never used to do it. First you used to watch me go on live and then you watch your kids them. And then the whole of we sit down and we make money. Now, the kids them, they all over the place when me are live. That's not fucking good, Triple. If people them are looking at the background and say, people them, they all over the place. This never used to happen. Tell me how me feel, Triple, at my house and at your house. So you don't have to agree with me. Me a man, we have put food on my table. This way you need do, you need never have to do it. Because me provide. I am a provider. I'm sit down and I see same people them, you take bash me, bro. It's same people them. I'm tell you say we know get together, bro. Me sit down and me help you same way, bro. Me help you in every farmer way, bro. Every day. Me come and me do what me have to do. Me not in a competition with you. Me not in a challenge with you, bro. And that me do, dog. That me I tell you no Triple. Me sit down and me analyze everything and me feel it. Me feel it, dog. And why she do it? She know people hate me on this app. So she use this to make people hate me more and act like I wasn't being a good dad. Look at my time Yannick come over here and say, me not have to work because Akim give me this. Akim buy me $5,000 purse, $6,000 purse. When me come and me say to Yannick, say, please don't post the Lambo because I beg me beg. Please don't post the Lambo, I beg me beg. If the people them are give with a willing heart, we can't do it if we want, and do it if we want. I say, Yannick, you can have this as a secret. You notice he never post on the birthday. She post it 4 days after. Me a reason now, since you don't know me, I got you. I turned to her and I said, Yannick, I beg, you know. I beg. Don't post the car. You post it with the bow on it. People start saying, oh, he might take begging money by Lambo. Me have to start defending and say, so why if me want to do it? Dennis, we are give me the money. Tell me them we are give me the money. Them not feel some type of way. Me start come and me defend it. Me defend it. Even when people stop give me because I see him Lambo. Even when me can't, she come and they say, he buy me purse, he pay the rent, he told me to stop work, he told me to this and told me to do that. Dog, you know what? Push me. Really push me. We buy the house. I said to her, say, you're there, you're not work. Don't look at work yet. Help me babysit with the kids them. The house are fixed. You're all over the place and look at job. Me I pay bills them. I will take care for it. Instead of you go out and we have to pay a babysitter 8 bills a week where you make at your job. Help me with the kids them. It would much more easier. Okay. She left. She got to do her body. Come back and say, Yannick, we have work on the house. That $10,000. And you sister, me not gonna pick her up because I didn't agree with Yannick. We gotta do our body again. Me done pay the straight man them $1,000. Each tile we put on in our house, one I tile them for $40. And each time I beg for favorite it, I make me almost millions that it me spend in our house. And I turn to her and say, Yannick, don't do your body yet. Help me with the kids them. Babysit so I can make this money and favorite it. Denise a push me, DJ a push me, Tammy a push me, Dia a push me, everybody a push me. Help me with the kids them, please. She do her body. She lay down, she couldn't move. Me there with the kids them, I do what me have to do. When Yannick heal, the house is still fixing process. Yannick help me baby kids them now. Me find a job. I said, Bumbo Cloud. No. You find a job. Me there say, I say, Yannick, you know, say you can relax you and 2 months, me I beg you. Me I beg you 2 months. 2 months, me I beg you. If you stay at home, I will do everything. I will give you money. I will give you everything you need. 2 months. Just help me with the kids them. You make me have your aunt babysitter. Me have your any life got change, I'm here. Me have your pistol a change, I'm here. Me have your pistol a hush me baby. Me have your pistol a do this. Me have your do this, me have your do that. I'm just telling to myself, I'm say, look how me begging mother to stay home with the kids them. And they do, me I tell her. Me come to her again and me say, where me never interested. Me say, where you find a job? She say, our old job. I say, Yannick, you go to beg you some time for work. We have fix the house. You pick them around all over the place. Beg your son time. No, I can't do this and do that. I say, Yannick, you see the money where you make every month? I make it in 1 day or 5 hours. 1 day or 5 hours. Please, me I beg you. Yannick, get up in Monday morning, go work. Me have to do your Oshy baby. I have to do your Oshy baby. We get up and do it for a month. And I see when we finally find the babysitter. I so take pressure off of my shoulder. So you tell me, say no. At the time them look on him and me I say, me I spend everything in my house. Me not bother about nothing. Only when time me can't reach money, me bother you and say, you know, say send 1 4 grand, come give me 1 5 grand. Because the man need the kitchen set right now. And me I beg you 2 months. For work on the media where you see money are coming so much. Because every money me make me send you. Every single money me make me send you. That's why you can't come and talk my business here. Because you know everything about me. You know my social, you know my passport. I don't know how your social look. I don't know how your passport look. I don't know what your bank card them look. Me and you there for 3.5 years and Father God, if I use Yannick card 5 times, take my fucking blessing. If I use Yannick card 5 times, take away my blessings. And I'm telling you, begging you to do it. I am the one who do everything and spend. Take away it. I mean, look on her and say, you know, say, Yannick, they on a roll where Me I look into it, say, Yannick want to go work, go make our money, and just watch me and spend everything in my house. And then so I turn to myself and I start vent to my sister. And I start vent to a couple of my people them. And my people them I say then go talk to her. And I talk to her and I say, yo, Yannick, you know it's a big man thing though. I feel like you should have find a work and go do your body knowing we are do this at house and then rare. Leave me alone. You breed me, you tell me something after that, I can go do my body. I know I go do my body and then sitting there. I said, dawg, judge, dawg. I feel a way, bro. Because right now, me and state boom. We make a pass for the house. The same 10 grand that we could have done in the bathroom. But I an idea, we put the house on pause. Because me have to gather up more money. Because I don't spend 200,000 in a bumbuckler house already. 200 and odd bumbuckler thousand me spending at this house for material and work, man. So me I said to myself, say, dawg, that could have fixed when I bathroom, my kids in bathroom. And that me I said to her, it could have fixed the kids in bathroom and work. No, me I see them thing as a man, bro. Say me I put everything in my force. Remember, triple, Yannick I got work. The house I fix, me I wash Yannick clothes. Me I do everything. Yannick come in, our clothes spread on the bed. One side from work clothes to yard clothes. She a come in, only thing Yannick come in, I do a cook. Me a clean, me a wash, me a do everything. Me a do with the kids them, me a do everything. Every single thing. Me and Yannick there together for 3 years. Yannick don't probably wash our clothes 5 times. And me do everything triple. Because I said I am a house husband. Look how much time me in live. Tired after me do much fucking work and still don't see me and live a clean. I want to say one thing, you know. The boy here I go clean, you know. Me never any live yet one time I see one clean house. Me have to still end up and clean the house. So look into yourself, triple. You have a man where you come home to every day. And you wash, cook and clean. And the man just come in and say, how you gonna feel, please, if you continue doing this? No appreciation, no sure. You say you ate the bathroom. I work my fucking ass off to give you the bathroom of your life. Me call you pick it tub where you want. You pick a face basin. Me and you pick a tile. This is what me do for you. Everything me do for you. You come. You tell me, say, fire ready. Don't give you a baby shower. Me say, You say, you alone keep a baby shower. When you're pregnant, you have to tie chop palling, you have to buy food, you have to do everything. And I say, no, sir. When you breathe for me, that can't. And you tell me what you want. You tell me everything you want, and I go ahead and I get it. You never have to lift a finger, you never have to pay a cent. I did everything you request. Everything you request, I did it. Everything you request, I did it. You tell me everything, I'm going to do it, request it. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. I come to you, I'm say to you again, say, Yanni, you know, say, I feel like everything, me you talk, you tell me gift to them. She said, no. My gift called me from England. And I say, you need to go on where you go. Because everything a woman here and me can take out upon. And she can tell me every single thing what happening in my house from last year until now. I'm shocked. I say, Leah, oh, you know there's something here? She said, brother, I been want to tell you. I been want to tell you, bro. I been want to tell you. She tell me, oh, you're not mine youth. She tell me, oh, this and that. Now, triple, if we make an agreement, listen to the agreement what we make. If we make an agreement like this, I pay the mortgage for $8,000. I pay the car note for $5,000. I pay any other little thing, the insurance, any other little thing I pay. You was the agreement is, you will buy the formula and you will buy this and you will buy that. So now, me I pay the mortgage. You are try bring me down on a level for say, me not give you no money for youth. Triple, a 3 pity me have. No 4, because me I take care of Amir too. So now tell me now how would I feel if you know say, me there has to pay 23,000 in a bills a month. Me no make that on TikTok enough time. 23,000 I pay in bills every fucking month. $23,000. That's why when I come here, then little boy I talk about BMW and this and that, I buy that every month and I always tell them. $23,000 US in every month me paying a bills. And me talk to Yannick, me say, here what go on. You don't have to do nothing. And me see, me you good on the road. And you come and tell people, say, me nah take care of me youth. When me can brag, say, me I take care of me youth, and then people up on the live and say, watch your pussy. And Yannick do not tell you, say, nah take care of youth already. Watch him. Them things is not nice, triple man. That not nice. This is something we talk of the ear. This is something we talk of the ear with our brother. This is something me say, yo, stop, go to me gift of them. You and me gift of them is not friend. I beg Yannick 1 year straight, triple. I said, stop, bring me Tory out of my house to give me gift of them. Stop it. They are not your friend. They are my friend. You tell me gift of them everything that happened in my house. Me a rock no talk 1 year. And rock a call me and tell me everything what happened in my blood clot house. 1 year rock stop give me. And rock can come tell me everything. And rock say me tell her, say, come off of my phone and go deal with the thing. 1 year, come on, man. Me sit down and me beg you, me talk to you. Me had a group call in a Discord before everything reach media. I talk to you on Discord with my ex-gang family. And ex-gang in I chat, they know this. Me say, Yannick, stop bring me Tory to them. They are not your friend. Okay, I will stop. Okay, I will stop. Okay, I will stop. Then 2 hours later, you call and you start give them a life again. Till me can't talk to my own people then because they feel like they have up on me. So when me come and tell them, say me do this last night, they know say me not do it because Yannick is already give them information. Me and Biggs a friend. Me get gunshot with Biggs. And Yannick left the house 7:30 every morning and call Biggs 8 o'clock. Biggs can't tell me what me yam. Biggs can't tell me how me cook. Biggs can't tell me every morning me come in, me drink pack soup. Biggs can't tell me say me yam out the patty out of fridge. Biggs can't tell me say me a hide and yam out this out. Oh, Biggs know there's something and me and Biggs not talk. What you call Biggs and tell him. No, me if you have my friend them. We have secret over my head and expect I should live with this. And my friend them will look up to me as G. We see me buy house, buy car, buy everything. When man them look up to me and I say, oh dog, you know you're my God. Father, when you I tell these people stuff, you are liquid on my thing in the street. And I think it's fucking unfair for me can't come here so and defend myself, dog. Because all the thing me come here so I try to defend myself, bro. You can't have a man and make people laugh after him. And Yannick again, Loyal didn't push me away from you. She don't have no power doing that. You are my baby mother. And if me and Loyal was together, she couldn't fucking diss you. Because I would disrespect Loyal. I am not a pussy. But the way you let people treat me on the street, I don't like it, and I move away from you. And I love you, but I take away the love from you, and I only have respect for you now. And why is that? Because we share a child together. But the way you make people deal with me, I have no love for you no more than respect. And I hope you understand. I have feelings too. People laugh after me too, and I take accountability for going out and sleeping in Loyal for a long time. But facts still remain. When I take Loyal serious, me and you wasn't together. And I told her that numerous times. And I told Loyal that numerous times. I beg her, please let's go our separate ways. Again, let me tell her one more sitting again. I'm growing on my dog. My dog can't tell me, say, why Yannick not come talk to you as a big woman? I say, what you talk about? The dog say, you know, say Yannick, I went to Pistol, I went to a couple more people. I say, what you mean? The man say, you ever call Pistol yet? I ask Pistol, what you and him have? I say, what you mean? I just talk. The man say, these people, what you don't know, Yannick manipulator like we come and tell us, say, You know, say Pistol say that, well, Pistol I get information. Can me tell you what Yannick do? No. Yannick come and tell me, say, Miss Triple say, you're pussy wall. Then she go back and text Miss Triple and say, him say. Then me now with me ignorant self, oh no, me be, hey boy, Pistol, go suck your mama, this and that. Why you coming at me like that? Yannick say, you say, I haven't talked to Yannick in 4 months.
It says of true in all fairness, but it say I wicked, yeah, pussy wall.
Eh?
I did true, still come.
No. You come and say, I'm said to say, Pistol say, I haven't talked to Yannick in 4 months. Me never said that. And then me go back and say, oh, you Pistol, oh, you say Pistol, say he said that. She quiet. She quiet. She quiet. After me just cuss off my bumbleclad friend. After me just cuss off my friend, Triple F split justice, bro. Me just cut off my friend when everybody did it.
Listen, I agree that Yannick talks a lot. I agree with that. But the meat of the matter is, all of that pass and gone already. Wow, no, do no. I hope say they know. I know them should they know.
Me a pack.
Yeah, pack. So what go on now? Because the blogger, what did say this, what is what go happen now?
Triple. Me can be something. Me can say something to you. I know you feel my way. Do you feel like you're somebody who I could have come vent to and tell you how I feel honestly?
You ever come tell me how you feel and you hear it back? You ever come tell me anything and you hear it back?
No. Listen what I'm saying. Why you so aggish and jumping off of me? You can't get me mad. I'm calm right now. And so when I'm calm like this, it's Akeem talking to you. Don't get mad at me, Triple. I'm saying something to you. Right? If I come to you several times and I say to you that I am done, I am over, and I say this to you plenty time, and you turn to me and you say,
and when you listen why me not take you at face value and not believe when you say certain things. Listen to this.
You miss me, dog. I'm gonna miss you too, bro. I'm gonna miss you too, dog. Like, come on, bro. Let's be real, bro.
You hear that?
We haven't talked.
I went that. I went that. Show a
This is
date
why I
of
don't
that.
listen to you.
Show a date of that.
This was, yes, May 25th.
Last year?
No! Me I was just gone.
What? After blood clot,
It's right here, word that
make Yannick fabricate, go. And go after blood clot, that is Sunday that. When she, Triple, listen, let me explain to you. Don't ramp with me, Triple. Yannick a fabricate story. Listen, after blood clot, that is Sunday that we pass and gone. When she attack me in a blood clot house, I'm say, Yannick, don't blood clot come at me.
So you said it's last year?
Come at me. Come know you miss me. Oh, Yannick, I can't do that.
So this is last year, me?
Listen what me I say to you. Yannick attack me. Triple. Yannick a fabricate story that me I telling you. Yannick, listen what me say. After Dali Sunday, Yannick fabricating story. Yannick a play voice note when a blood clot goes up. Yannick nearly from January a fabricate story for me. From January I don't tell you I miss you, I want you back. From January. Me tell you, from January, yo, bro, Triple, yo, my sister don't want me getting a partner, I'm going to go in some things down, Triple, hold on there, Triple, I'm going in some things down. January, New Year's Day, what, right? January, New Year's Day, right?
Yeah.
Now me can tell you, say, after Dali Sunday, me tell her if you buy me a spliff, I'm going to look, I'm going to tell her if you ask me girl. Now that me tell you.
She said if you ask the girl in here.
And I did go ask me woman, now that me tell you. So why mother there start tell a lie?
But
you post things when don't make no fucking sense. That's why me I tell you. Yannick a post things like me I still adder on. Every day I still lead on you, Yannick. Me I beg your pussy. Me I come in a room and hold you down. Me I come in a room and suck your breast. Me I lead on side of you. Say me they are still looking at about me, say when I come in a room and try. People who live in a room with people and still as me try. Me never try come on to you yet one time. Me never come on to you yet say, oh God, Ray, beg your little pussy. Yannick, me miss your pussy. Oh God, I never. Triple me see Yannick come out of the room and she have it told me said so. Triple from January and me see Yannick come out of the room with the towel me said so. If Yannick there in the room, I'm going to be in the bathroom, me put on my towel, and me look out so, and me run, me cover my cock.
So you were like, you don't remember this a voice note and nothing, like you don't remember when you could have seen it.
You hear me I say? And listen what me just said to you, because you fabricate me and I listen. You want the people them bash me and that me get from night. Hear what I told you. That message is from Dolly Sunday. When Yannick was trailing me. And I sent to her, say, why the fuck you trail me? I just said that to you. If me didn't lead on to Yannick in no formal way, I lead to Yannick, I would fix things with Yannick. Because it cost me my house and it cost me every fucking thing that I have. And it's something where I get emotional about right now. And you don't have to care about me, because you don't have one bumbuckler saying in this triple. If I did care and want to fix this, and every fucking thing I put in this, I would go ahead and fix it because I want it. And I could have been to it. Yannick make me lose every fucking thing that I work hard for. I put down 50 fucking thousand US cash on this Lambo. The payment for this. The payment for this is $5,000. And we have this Lambo 1 year and 3 months. Yannick has never paid a payment on this. Me live in a house with Yannick. And Yannick never pay a mortgage. When me tell Yannick say we left, I never ever lead back Yannick on to sex. Never. To how we go look bad. Yannick. To how we look bad. Triple. When I come from it, one ball field one day, I go in a room. I go in a room and I say, how are this? How are this? I want a rose, I say. I want a rose. I say, okay, left it alone. If we have somebody that have sex and you lead on to somebody, me not lead on Yannick in enough farm away, bro. Me tell Yannick from then, so we over. So Yannick a post to make nothing to me and mean no sense. Post things New Year's. Post things where me beg you to stay with me. Post one message where me beg you to stay with me. One message, post it. When me say, Yannick, please don't leave me. Me I beg you. Please no left. Please, no. Yannick, post a message before you catch me with loyal. Where I am begging you, say, please don't left me. I want to work this out and show the date.
I just played the voice of himself from last year, chat.
Well, I know, triple. Listen, everything. You want to ask me no questions so I can own accountability because I'm not afraid. Ask me anything you want to ask me, triple. You want to ask me about your trip? You want to ask me about that?
No, we don't ask about the trip.
You want to ask me about the car?
We know about all of that already.
Can I confess something to you? Can I confess something to you?
Go slow there.
Can I confess something to you?
Yeah, go slowly.
I was the one who called Loyal and tell her to post that picture last night in her Lambo.
Jesus have mercy. Listen, this
no matter with the exaggeration, just sit down.
This time me tell you, talk too much.
Listen,
you
sit down, sit down.
Triple,
you talk too much with the exaggeration. If you listen to me, you listen to me. Nobody come go and work this a mind game upon me. Me
you chat too much. Come
at 16 years. Yo, Triple, let me talk. If you make me talk, you make me talk. I make me go.
Talk.
If you make me talk, you make me talk. I make me go. You make me go.
Alright, talk.
Cause this way you do. Lord Jesus Christ. Talk. Like this is the worst thing I ever hear on TikTok.
Why you make sure?
Stop do that.
Talk.
Stop do that. And listen to me I say. Cause you now get me my point across. And I don't like that. I don't like it. I mean, you say you want confession, and you say you want real. So when me I be real, don't sit on yourself and Lord Jesus for me.
Me no mean that real. Me no mean so real.
Yeah, man, so calm down and listen to me I say, man. Calm down and listen to me I say. Calm down, because exaggeration I build for my name. Era, where you there? Me there on a breezy, you know. Come let me out of tire shop out or so. Alright. Why my girl can call me and tell me say, Yannick say, she volunteer a Lambo and going to bring in. Why Yannick a walk and tell people say, the Lambo in her name? Why Yannick a walk and tell people say, you not pay your mortgage? Why she a do that? Why Yannick a walk and tell people say, me tell Yannick say, you want to bring me down so bad? Why you do that? Why you walk and do this? Why you walk and tell people say, he's over here on my phone bill. He's not paying my phone bill. He's not paying his phone bill. Oh, is this? I pay his phone bill until today. Let me ask you something, Triple. Let me ask you something. If me there, I pay how much money a month for your mother get take care of. If you say me up on a phone bill, you're going to bother me for $150 every month?
No.
You know, answer me. More you talk low like when you say Lord Jesus Christ and you sit there. If you deposit somebody phone bill and she paying $150 a month for your phone bill and you over here pay $1,000 for just her mother alone a month, would you still get up and worry about a phone bill?
Well, no, if you help my mother, I wouldn't be on a phone bill.
Okay, let me ask you something again. You're there in the street and you hear she say, you hear people them say, but here, when you and Yanni did good, Yanni did go like I'm your father. But no, she say, you know, do nothing for your, Amir, you know, do nothing for none of them. Me can't even pay the car now, Yannick volunteer to put in the Lambo. How you feel for you pay the Lambo and Yannick want to tell us if you take off the license plate off my car? We almost gone 150,000 in a Lambo already.
Alright, let me ask you a fair question. How the you no left now and now go no separate ways soon? How the Lambo go? How
Okay,
that
Triple. Ask Yannick if me say, you want to keep the house and I still pay the bills? No. Sell it. I asked her, you want to keep the Lambo? I cannot afford it. I asked her, I said, do you want me to buy you a new car? No. Me put this for my daughter, was sick like a fuckery. I asked her, do you want me to buy you a new car? She said, no. Soon as I tell Yanni that, she called in my house and said, you know where such man just called me and say, me did a listening conversation, you know. Hear people them, hey, because they don't want me here. I offer you this. I offer you the car. I said, take it. You say you can't afford it. No, if you invest 200,000 in a something and you only have 95,000 to pay off, would you let it go when you don't invest so much stuff into it? I invest all money into this. Everything. So where you look for me right, yes, I say.
Yeah,
I asked her if she want it.
If you're not done, it can't go stay in our name. So how
I asked, Chopper, we got to people them much time. And I said to her, you say you don't want the car, give it to me, I will pay for it. That's why I still pay for Triple. I said, give it to me. Give it to me. I told her, they say, you can't pay for it, me now go give back my car. How the fuck, Triple? Me can put on a house money for one car and expect if you go back? Me can put on a house money for one car and expect if you go back?
So why
then
you
pay
know,
one
why
house
you
money in
not
a car, no,
transfer
if you give it back?
If she has said she don't want the responsibility of the car or whatever, why you not make she transfer to your name then?
Me tell her, say, can we transfer it? We can't transfer it. I said, okay, Yannick, I will take the car, pay it, do everything. You want a new car? No. Yannick, deal is, once me and you left, you cannot have nothing. And I'm not looking like that towards Yannick. That's why she want me to sell the house. That's why she want to get rid of the car. But I turned to her and said, me I work so fucking hard for the car. Keep it. I will pay the car note. Why would you give back a car that we almost don't pay for?
Because all you go share if you don't left, it now go, it go
He don't
cause
say so,
problem,
Triple.
problem,
Triple, read between lines. You're a big woman. If the car paid off, me can sell the car and get back my money. And me a pay for the car. I will split the
Yeah,
money.
but the time frame.
Why would you make 200,000 go down your drain for 75,000? It can't have a split. I'm gonna keep it. I'm still pay for it. I will come here so and blood clot do this. Come on, Triple, me right, man. Keep the car because we make back our money. Why would you so evil for every fucking money we spend for the car go down your drain? Keep it. We pay it off. We sell it and split the fucking money. Me no fuck batty boy. I beg me bumbo can't beg. Why would you so evil to volunteer to pick up the car? We done paying for the car. It's not your problem. And even if you this smart and claim you're smart and work a law firm, you don't make me pay up the car and then you come call police for me and take it from me. I would feel much better more than losing the fucking car. I would rather you have me as a fucking yamed, paying off the car, and then police come take away the car from me. More than a year say, report up on my blood clot name, and we can't drive this no more. When I can afford this shit. You're not split justice. You're being biased. So no. Oh, me not fi fucking feel how me feel. Fi see everything me work hard for, I good on the drain. Me work hard for this. Me never beg her for a payment. Me never want go to her and say, you know, so me short this month.
So she
Beg
go
you.
a place to go voluntary, and what happened? They never take, but I take, like, what happened when she go there to go voluntary?
Triple. Why do you have me there on the live? The chair turns so. I'm in my glass. You see what record go so. So me I say, no sir. Triple me the live and the man him come take up a Lambo. When me call him man, the man say, I know you come down here. You come down here as an entertainer, but she says she can't pay it no more. The man said to pay back the car. You know this, Triple. We pay how much thousand to get back a car. How much fucking thousand to get back this car where we could have put down on something else matter. So you telling me you're so much hurt, so you're willing to make me lose everything. And you don't understand, and I hear you just say something. And if you say that, me not see where I feel fuck up what you said.
Like what? Say what?
You turned to me just a while ago, you say, you don't feel hurt or me I do Yannick or loyal. You ever come to me at one time here upon the live, because 2 times now me I talk, you ask me how you mental, how you feel, how your name feel, what your name doing with everything. Loyal don't have my name, Loyal have her own name. Yannick have her own name. I am a man who build my name. Whether good or bad, me curse people. But remember this, I have a name also. And if me make people tarnish my name and bring me down all the while, where do I stand? Me notice you no love when me silent like the other day when 200 people are watch me. And me come back and me beat them bumbo clot. And the people them say they love me again. Wanna use this to fuck with me what that I have going on within the space of 3 weeks coming back on the app. And I'm gonna take accountability that I fall for the fucking bait. I was coming back to give you hell and powder on this app. And I fall for the fucking trap last night. And I'm gonna take accountability for that.
That's all you said us last night.
Me not take accountability for that, yes! Not cheat, nothing! No one me said nothing! I am taking accountability for the trap that me set, because every time me I go on good pan the app, there is something always come to take me down. Always take me down. Look over there, me come, me there around the pool. Normally, 200 people are watch me, 4,000 people are watch me. Me come and me keep me party in the garage. Then see me not fi chat no Tory. Then see me not fi beat them same way. And the people them love it. That when
Yeah,
I
that
use.
when I go on good, that is good, but I know that we are talking about, that is good. Continue do that. But you're not
People know
active.
say not hear me, I say. Wonder if you listen what me there, so I say to you, say. Listen what me just say to you. Me say, every time me I go on good, last month I same thing. Me come and me make a piece of food over your last month. And I first month we have this last year. Every time me I go on good, and me now pierce no mind, it become a problem. And she know how to dig under my skin to get under me. And I gonna take accountability, said. Me name the blood clot bait last night. Me name the bait. Because I was doing so fucking good on this app within the last 3 weeks. I mean, from about a year, people don't text me like that. Me and wait for you to come on, come dance, you know, come custom off, you know. I was doing so fucking good until this last night when me name the fucking bait. Because everything start off at them, I pressure me. I mean, I like people tarnish my name. And I am a man who stand behind my name. If you don't stand for your name, you stand for nothing. And my name can bring me to the world. Because money can done. I mean, I know if I'm wrong, but I have a thing with them called self-defense. And I think we should just relax myself sometime and just watch people diss me and fail. More than I come and diss people and fail and carry people. And oh, me know this app wicked. Me see on a ton pan her already. I know me see on a ton pan her side to get information because this me. And know the funniest part about it. When the whole app did a beat her and me alone was here to protect her. Me never see Triple come and cuss for and Yannick 5 hours straight. Me never see Jaden come and do it. And me used to over here tell me mouth dry. And I live till to the day when she and the whole app turn upon me. And I will take my losses and I will take accountability of my losses. But remember, I was always the one to click my live defending her. Not Miss Triple, not none of you guys when I comment, or none when I box until today. I never pass on TikTok and see 5 people are defend Yannick before until me come with the cheating situation. Everybody call her Mr. Bean. Everybody call her further matches. They name out me heart and me come and me defend her. But no, the whole I don't want her Tory. Me I go live if you see you no turn pan her again. Cause she going to say something to somebody on this app who wanna love daring and who going to turn pan her again. I'm going to live to see that. Remember me telling you. But guess what? Wanna win. Wanna win. The house fuck up. The car go because I'm going to walk with everything. Wanna win. But remember, see, me stand up behind your tent door. Come and cuss everybody. It wasn't Triple. None at all. It wasn't no bosses. Nobody in the X-gang where you bring me to never do it. When me there see 500 comments say, yeah, Mr. Bean, I never see 10 say left the girl alone. And all the people them in your box now, since me a good on your drain, you give them power over me. I never been to loyal box or family and give her no power over you. I never ever do that. Me never ever do that yet. But me see in a box with people try to bring me down. And I leave it. But when me come and defend myself, and I said to myself last night, say, all day today, say, look how TikTok did a beat me. Say, go away with your blood clot, Mr. Bean woman. Go away, I can't unseen her looking like Mr. Bean. Oh my God, she look like Mr. Bean. I can't unsee it. She look like Mr. Bean. I want the batty boy when him sitting there. One key name, this Yannick. And me go and I comment and say, go suck your mama. Oh, a friend of they say it, I can't unsee it. Further matches, and me. I know, same Uno, me say come back. I turn on and beat me for your. But remember, Uno just do it because you don't want Tory. And if Uno think me feel no way, one bit, Uno can go suck out to the mama back way with a long straw and suck on the father dick. Because I don't feel no way. And me know what me I go through. Because me used to come over here and give her are fucking flowers. But some flowers can given and some flowers can be also taken away. Because same how she give me flowers and have me as a deadbeat, flowers can be given and flowers can be taken away. We don't split blood clot justice.
And you have a point with that. You hear say you come and you fight fear. Yes, and you cause everybody fear and you convince we say she's a nice person. So you cannot want to take it away. You did that, world dog. None of we never know if she this or she that or what. And you come and you defend her down to the ground. And you say she's a good woman. She's dead here for me. She do this to me. And she loyal to me. And you come and you convince we. We believe you. She now come are the best father. Him do everything for me. Him give me everything. So now you can't come tell we say she a bad woman. And she can't come tell we say you're not gearing up because it want to come and to say something and you want to switch it now because you fall out. And it don't make no sense because we don't want me already.
Well, hold on, you just say, hold on. You just said something and I agree with you. But can you agree with me on this? If you say all of that about me, show me a screen recording when me say Yannick is a workless mother. Show me a screen recording when I said Yannick don't do things for her kids. Show me a screen recording when me say Yannick a dirty girl. Show me a screen recording when me say Yannick pussy big. Show me a screen recording when me say Yannick go suck your mama. Show me a screen recording when me say Yannick come out of my bumbo clock house and film me name house this. Show me.
You never said that.
But oh, you can show a screen recording when you say you know take care of my son. Me ask him for 5 bills and you know give me for my son. So let me ask you something. How can you big up somebody and then in a street and bring down somebody and expect somebody not to come defend their name?
You don't understand. You think so because we sympathize.
You don't understand what you just said. I just say me big up Yannick and Yannick big me up.
Jesus Christ. It doesn't mean that me or everybody else believes every single thing Yannick says. And that's why you don't understand. We sympathize with her because of what she has gone through. She doesn't deserve to go through this. But that doesn't mean that everything is said. We believe every single thing.
Answer the
just
question.
like with you.
Listen what me I said to you. And listen what me say to you. Let me ask you a question again. And stop beating around the bush. I respect you as a woman, intelligent business woman. You said I do everything for Yannick and big her up and she do the same. So why when she depend on her life and she a walk and tell people say me workless, I may not have nothing and this and that, I cannot come and reply and said, me I do this and me I do that. So when me come and answer, I am the bad person.
Dog, you have a bigger platform. And at the end of the day, as what you say, you know you're wrong. You know you're hurt. You know you
Hold on there. Wait. What you just say? I have a bigger platform.
Yes.
So why would you try to bring down that platform where I put roof over your head until today and put food on the kids to your table? Why you try to use my own platform against me to hate me? Why? So I have a bigger platform where I have to come and defend myself before Yanni take everything off my table. Because she gone with 95 blood clot % already. So if people will give me, sit down and say them lose off of me because me I beat Yannick and me I deal with her like shit, me I go lose everything. You have a bigger platform than Solitary. If you come and say Solitary I beat you, who is Solitary for people them not believe?
Oh God.
No, oh God. Wait. No, not hold on, people. He can't answer. She can't answer. Hold on. I'm saying to you, you have a bigger platform than the man. So what happened about that?
Real dog, you say I love somebody, you not take certain things to
Triple, I am asking you a question. Chap, stop.
It is impossible for me.
Stop growing the question and answer me. Stop growing the question and answer me.
I would have done that with my platform.
Eh?
I wouldn't have done that with my platform.
Okay.
Point blank.
Let me ask you something again. Your man go cheat. In come back, you find out. Why you never once click your live yet and come over here and say solitary cheat for you and if in cheat or this and that and him a pussy hole. Solitary you not do nothing for your kids them and you not do this and you not do that. Why you end your life and deal with it respectable?
Me just wouldn't deal with it on live. That
Hold on. Even, listen what you just said. Listen what you just said. Even though you know he's wrong.
because certain things you just don't bring to the media. But everybody's not me.
So, well, I know, man, triple man. So, when she find out, say, me a cheat, you have to bring it on the media. Why, as a big woman, you could have come and made a reason about it? The first time you find out, say, me cheat for you, I beg you to stay with me back. And that's on everything that I love. Me I touch you in the kitchen, you say, don't touch you. Me I touch you in the bed, you say, don't touch you. Me I try to hold your hand, you say, don't hold your hand. Me try to talk to you, you say, allow you make you heal. I give you the respect and make you heal. You come back to me and you say, you heal. And I sit you down in a room and make you talk. I say, I'm sorry. You did at work, you take long to answer me. I say, Yannick, me fuck up. I'm sorry. Me try wall it. Me try walk far from her in her house. Even my sister them say, yo, she go through it, wall it. So all of a sudden now, me cheat now. And me no go apologize, make me the bad person. Triple, let me show you something, Triple. I'm not saying what I did was right. But remember, you have a great vampire. And I feel like the amount of thing I was doing for Yannick and the amount of things me there ear back, I was just feeling like a little boy. Or even my gifter them can come tell me what Yannick say. Or Yannick can come explain to them. You can't tell a woman for tapping eyes. You now do this, you do that. To me, everybody in my gang look for me as a top man. So when I start seeing things now, I start feel like me a boy, brother. I'm gonna like people make me feel like boy. And Yannick make me feel like boy numerous times. Numerous. And I accept it, I'm still there with her, brother. Numerous times, bro. Me there road in a Yannick Benz, the one when me pay off. Before me pay off, the man turned to me. That I one where Yannick there fuck before me and I start talk. Me used to drive that before him. A two-man drive that before him. What I did, I come and I take $40,000 and give you. And say, paid off your car. And I did go on the live and I say, who did I drive it? But I paid it off. It's mine now. All them things I wanna forgot. All them big party that when me keep. Where them things that go to the window. All them good things that I do. Show party, private party for you. Gifts back a gift. When you complain about dates, we buy a $7,000 Louis Vuitton bag. Where 100 alone come out. Purse back a purse. And everything that you gave me, you sell it back. And all the thing that I take from you is the 2 earrings that I gave you. I spent numerous hundred thousand upon you. You come to me, oh, you don't bring me on dates. I say, Yannick, me there at work. Me the number one over here, sir. Okay, me the number one. I swipe across my screen. Me say 25,000. I say, okay, Yannick, go online and order any purse and send come give me. Go online, look at any purse and send it to me. Anything what you want. Go online and send it to me. Oh, me see the purse of $4,000. Boom. To your PayPal, $4,000. Oh, the purse of $5 grand. Boom. Send it to your PayPal. Oh, the person is this. More 2 slippers. Boom. Slippers. 1,500 slippers. Where them days they go? Where them days they when we buy matching outfit for your kids them? I'm Mary in a Burberry. My son in a Burberry. And my daughter Burberry. My daughter no come. We left. My daughter no come on my baby shower. And all you see me, I go through it once when my baby mother say me I kill his father. You never hold me hand and say, such and such. You smile. Because you love see when me cuss my baby mother them. You give you a kick. You never see me a class when my baby mother them and stop me. And me realize with you, that's why I stop talk to you around my baby mother them. Because you get a kick. You feel like you're there on the top when me diss them in front of you. And all my baby mother pressure me say, you send me clothes so you buy for my daughter. And all you have baby shower and she not come. And all you see my daughter, my baby mother nag me. You never ever come and say, boy, my boyfriend Bill. You just step on the phone and tell your friend them, oh, him do this for my baby shower. $10,000, $15,000. And I did that, I deal with pressure while you have baby shower going on. And I deal with the baby, I deal with pressure. And me still come in there and say, but while giving you a baby shower, I'm outside cussing with Akila mother why she cannot come. Me say, I call my baby mother phone like a ras. But you know, baby mother phone is not a phone person. One time she pick up and say, she just done Akila here. We did a baby shower already. Me say, you know we did a baby shower? Me did it and I say, oh dog, and you never once come to me and say, oh dog, you know, say, you go through this. Triple. Yannick, never ever tell me, if you tell one of my kids them happy birthday. Yannick have Instagram and TikTok. You ever see Yannick post one of my kids?
No.
Do you ever see Yannick post one of my kids? All of my kids' birthday is before Yannick's birthday, and she will never tell my kids them happy birthday. She never tells Zai happy birthday. Zai's birthday was March, what was May the 7th. May the 7th. And you never buy a candy. Give me pitney. And in there, a shirt. Give me pitney. You know, Wally man say happy birthday. All you do is tell Amir, don't talk to my son. But the other day when Amir birthday, Daddy, I want a dirt bike. Dad, can I have a dirt bike? Me and a day. Me and you not there. Amir birthday passed 2 weeks ago. Me and not there. End me life with money when me make. End me life, jump down Walmart, come back and pull the fucking bike. Oh, mommy! I get a bike. I was there in the fucking kitchen. She not even said, oh my God, I love the bike. She didn't even say that. But my picnic birthday gone, I do nothing and post him. But every minute me can post Amir. Boy, me there with my stepson and can dance. And go through the hill and valley with my baby mother them. Cause then jealous, if you see Amir there, I foot them every day. And all of my picnic can come here so one time. And I never ever put that in your face yet. Say, yo, dog, my picnic rare. My picnic come here, don't talk to my picnic. My picnic come here, you don't talk to my picnic. The other day you tell Amir don't talk to my son. When we go to Amir, I say, Amir, did mommy tell you not to talk to Azir? Amir said yes. Me say, Amir, you're sure? Amir said yes. Amir said he was on the tablet playing Roblox and Zai's mother was talking to him and mommy said get off the phone. Not to talk. And when Zai's mother called me, I say, you're fucking sure? You love problem too much. And she put Zai on the phone and she said, Zai said, Dad, she did say it. I heard it. I'm go along there in a stage. I'm say, Amir, I play. I'm say, Amir, your mother tell her not to talk to my son. And Amir say, yes. Remember at that time, me a boss off so my son can't live with me. Me a boss off so my son can't live with me. And from the mother take back his son from that. My son not come back here. My son supposed to live with me. So stop sitting yourself. And you act like you know me, I go through. And this and that. Me take off my underpants and put me in a room. She take picture. All you say with that, you do everything. You get up information from when about me. So you plan for do this. Triple, Yannick is get up information from when. Yannick has sent people voice note from last year. Imagine, again. Me tell you say, me send you a voice note. Solitary send you a voice note and say, you see the dirty girl there, when you Yannick you par with, me now want you par bomb clot Yannick again. I want walkless girl that. You go come off iPhone with your man and go send your friend the voice note where your man just send him. Answer me.
No, I wouldn't do that.
The girl, me just send blood clot Yannick the voice note. Yannick save you and go send the girl when me I talk about in the blood clot voice note. Me say this a worrying girl I have with. Sketched. 5 minutes later the girl can blood clot play back a voice note to my baby mother and say, look what Akeem send in blood clot to Yannick about me. So tell me now within yourself. Me send you a voice note about a girl where you just claim say you just meet. You don't know this girl from Adams. Me say you are part with this as Skittle. And the girl call back with the voice note. Me send you a voice note and say, yo, Yannick, what go on with the Lambo? Me get a call. Hero. Yannick, what go on with the Lambo? Me about my voice. Me go over here, so me say, Yannick, do that. Stop it, and I beg you. Stop it. When the man come to me, we par with the man them who shot me and kill me dog. I come to him and say, Yannick, oh, you have to make the man have up under me. I never bring it to the media because I'm ashamed. Oh, me never come over here and say, Yannick carry me news out of my house, go give me enemy. Before she even find out about loyal. Me I have a reason now. Before she find out about loyal. Oh, me never come over here and cuss and say, she a bring my Tory to enemy. Let's be real. The man them where blood clot shoot me and kill me dog. The man hang round them. And you avenge to them, man. You say, the Lambo in my name, me pay a phone bill, he over a girl yard every night, me chill him, me stop cook for him, me stop do this, me stop, and the man and me argue, and the man tell me back everything. Go boy, you go like you attack man, you dep on TikTok a beg and dep on woman phone bill. How you da feel? And this a man where you and him did friend and you and him top par, your enemy. And then the man put out, he say, you are looking, but you are vent to the man and the man a beg your pussy same way, but still a beg pussy for a loyal. You tell the man things and the man go right back go tell loyal. Oh, you think me look like an idiot? Triple. Did you ever in your life tell Yannick say you still loyal a Dunkuno with 4 man and she's a whore?
No.
Hold on. May I ask you again. Did you ever call Yannick when she just put it on her life say me a cheat with loyal? And said, don't stress out yourself. She done with 4 man, she's a whore, she's a skettle. Me don't know why you stress out yourself for. Did you ever do that?
No.
Okay. You know say me did have up for that. And the other day when me talk on the phone, me tell you, right? And you say you never say it. And she come to me and she say, me tell her how I go. Him and the man a chat, and the man a bring back everything go give loyal. Cause guess what? But me claim say, him a tell information about him a give loyal for fucky. And that he go. So listen what me I say to you, a mind game a play. She a feed into Bami, and Bami a take back everything go give loyal. So the man a really want fucky, you know. So when the man say, yo, can we go up on date now and do this? Can we do that? Can we go and look a bit room? The man not show me no, the man not show me no loyalty. So when me go in a man voice note and say, oh, you beg me woman pussy. And you talk about carry me woman pan date. The man say, shut your blood clot, you go like me and your friend. Me no know, me no you know loyalty. So tell me now how you feel. You vent to somebody. When me done, I beg you say stop. You vent to a man when me and him no deal. When we see him in a party, we are scoop on each other, we are do this, we are do that. You even come out of your mouth already and come tell me, say, "Boy, me there, look, I know him a par with me enemy." Me got a party already, you point out the man and show me. So all of a sudden, me I go through this, you pick up at the man number. Because you and the man been did attack. You and the man been did attack. The man said, "Have your number from 2020. He said, "Pan live. You still correspond with this man."
That's all no correct the information just say
Listen, no information. Listen what me I say. You've been a correspondent with this man. So let me tell you now what Yannick do. What you don't know, how it start. Yannick go on loyal page and see who loyal follow who she know. Her first victim was the youth there. So she go in her youth inbox and start questioning youth about loyal. Now, everything when she question the youth ask back loyal if it's true. Yes. And I see him youth come tell me and make me know say you and Yannick chat me. I see him youth come back and tell me what Yannick say.
Why you say me and she chat say? Why you say me and
the
she
man come back and tell me say you tell Yannick say, you see, don't Yannick don't a dunko no, don't loyal don't a dunko with the man and she's a whore. The man put me on my guard the day and I voice note. Your phone and your car tracker.
But me just me we session on my body me decide for show me say boy me don't really like her this a girl just want people man. Me say that.
Okay. You see it? But you just say not say that.
No, me say me not see her with no 4 man, but I tell her from the start I don't like her. If I tell her that on the phone, I tell her every time I talk
but you just say you never see her, but now you tell me see you see her.
Me say me no raw see her, I say I don't. I say she, I don't know body. Me never say me see her, me no see her, don't see her nowhere. Listen, I no try tie me up. Me tell her say I don't like the girl.
But you just say you see her, you just say you see her, but you never, I'm say me never like. But what you say, me not understand what you say. Did you see her down there? Answer me.
I just said to you, I didn't see her, I didn't tell Yannick that, but I tell Yannick say she's not Shannon no bad day.
And I'm asking you, did you see her down there that night?
What?
Did you see her down there that night?
No, me not see her with no 4 man or nothing. Me not see her with no man or nothing. But me just say me no love all. I mean, I like her carry on and she no love her.
So you just down there and just call Yannick out type blues and say, she don't get with man.
Yeah,
you not listen.
Me not call Yannick and say anything to Yannick. I'm telling you that if the bombs man tell you say me say the girl, I don't nobody, that is true. I'm telling you, if the man tell you that is true. If the man tell you say I say you are a wicked and you're evil, that is true. Listen to what I'm telling you. I tell you this already. From Yannick come to me with the Tory. Me never love it. I say it. I say you're wicked no pussy clot.
So why when time you start explaining to you and start understanding, you're still feeding
because
people?
Because now me understand, you start to tell me and you explain to me that that's how it go. But at the end of the day, I did say that. They might have tell you how we say it and turn it around, but me never have nothing good to say. Boy, you and she being together, I never love it.
Yeah, bro. So, any idea, I hope you can understand where me I come from and see. You see me? And you understand, say, as you say, me have a youth with Yannick. And you know me and Jaden go at it. You know, put him on in the box, you can diss me. As me going to turn on back my life and start reply. You can't just come beat everybody so wicked.
I want me to tell you about that. The same way Jaden drought Yannick, I saw him drought you. I saw him drought you upon the day and your chat about loyal.
Yeah.
I same thing him do you and you chat like a ass and sing like a girl.
You only can't have that energy for me, but when me ask a question where you can't answer, you just hold on your head and say
Jesus Christ.
you only have energy for me.
Answer, but I choose. Yeah, say,
alright. You
I see him when him draw you out.
No. You see him where you can't come tell me things and brawling so and pint. When me ask you things, I see him so you can't pint. No. Chip, you know, it's a big man to me, you make me feel like me a pussy wall, dog. I feel like you enjoy when the people them beat me. And even when me explain to you, the same energy when me write, you never have a yes word, dog.
Where were you when everybody else said me never pick your word dog wrong yet? Where are you them at time? You said me never pick up for Yannick because I was busy always picking up for you. I was always picking up for you. Probably that's why I didn't have time to pick up for her. So don't come talk like say, me never always have your back. But some things are fuckery.
Triple. Let me tell you this. You not split justice for no both sides. Because the day I saw me explain certain things to you, and you still there start tell me this, and you tell me that.
Me understand you say she should take program from Jaden. But I say you didn't
No, me not
take
talk from Jaden. Jaden at least I'm a problem. Jaden not hold no weight in my life. Me have been to tell you what start this, and you just bypass everything what start this.
Me no bypass nothing. Me no be listen to everything what you say.
So why you not have the energy when me I explain to you like that? You just have the energy if you tell me say me wrong. You only have this energy if you tell me say me wrong. Because you feed into the comment and tell us say, I fuck with me a chat too.
Me no feed into no.
Yes, Triple, you feed into it, Triple. You're not me not seeing you sampling no hypocrite. You have the energy if you come tell me every minute say me wrong. But you don't have the fucking energy to tell me I'm right. I'm still you have to vent to you like my sister. I didn't have to do this. Split justice if you have split justice, man, Triple. You're not split it right. You're not split justice right. Me feel like you're feeding to it, coming to, and you beat me with them. I mean, I explain to you how me feel and how this start. I told you numerous times. Stop making me look for Triple, man. Stop it, bro. Triple. I'm media, I work with for 16 years, you know.
You see comment. Certain things me not like and so me tell her too. And if she can't,
comment.
I'm your other. But if you wish me could have other with your same.
You can't other with me. Let me tell you
what she
something.
do, I don't like it.
Me I go drink some water. Me I drink some water. Come I reason with you when Triple gone. Come I don't reason with you know. Cause Triple now give me benefit I don't know. So I reason people them, bro. I'm show you something, Triple. Me there say me I vent you for hours and hours the other day. Come back, I say the same thing and the same thing like you beat me down the bush. Me raise you with you as a family, bro. I raise it with you. In your side house, and all the thing I make you and Nika do are comfortable. And all the thing I feel in my house are uncomfortable. You can't have a six bedroom house and you sleep in your garage. Because you're afraid to go upstairs, go here where your woman and tell your friend them on the phone, boy. And then some man in a box like where some sleep in a man garage and style you. Tell me now, bro. I choose peace. I give you a whole entire house and sleep in my garage, bro. I don't come here till I want to sleep. I respect you. If I see you start your life, I drive out the house. I give you peace, brother. Come on, bro. I give you peace, dog.
One thing what loyal cousin so I can't agree with you. What gonna be the end game?
That alone I can't agree with, man. You're not. This is me I say nothing else.
No, what gonna be end game? Yo, when this yo wow, we all do this every day. What gonna be the end game?
Triple. Last week you called me. You're ready? Come here. Jenny, looking at my fridge right there, so you see a Pepsi in my house right there, so. And this is something I'm say now. You're going to say, if me a post the wall. 1 week and 2 days ago, when I break down on the live, you call me and you say, why you break down for? Me say the liar just called me and then say, the final lie is the house. That's what I say to you, right? I take up my phone and I call Yannick and I said, for the sake I kiss them, let's save the fucking house. Help me. Me not no money. Me not no money. Me not no this. Me not no that. But you can order here from Alabama every day and you can buy clothes, you can buy slippers. Think about the fucking kids. I will leave the house and give you. Let's save it. You know, contact that pan live. A week and 2 days ago. Save the house. You can go trip Orlando go party. You can buy hookah. You can buy NSC. And me there so I take every little thing I put towards my house. Eh? Every money me get, me can take if you put towards my house, I build you up. And you can't give me $1. But you party, you buy hookah, you buy clothes, you buy wig. Stop me look so, bro. Come on, man. Come on. And soon as me ask you, I say, Yo, more look at help. Alabama. Can me have a login? The other day, me there, so they send her a tracking number. Can me have a login from my phone? Me say, me black clear, you can buy 500 a year. Then again, she go back, because she a go up, so she buy 300 a year. Then she go back, she buy 450 a year. And me say, everything will go on, is just come in from my phone, because me log in from the Alabama. So everything, ma'am, your tracking number is ready. Ma'am, it's going to take 4 to 5 days to ship off. Ma'am, you need to pick the hair, ma'am. Ma'am, which light, ma'am. Ma'am, which color, ma'am. And everything I come in, and she replying on me there, so I say, so you tell me now, I am a pussy for ear, taking shame up off our eye to save the house, left her in it, help her with it, and move on with my life. How much time I ask her that and beg her to let's do that? If me are the pussy hole, would I want the house sell and me pitney them if you go somewhere else? Eh? If me are the pussy hole, when the people them come look for me house and they have showing, would I call them and tell them to turn back? Answer me now. If me are the pussy hole, I mean the want the house sell fast. What before me make up my mind? What year? Couple weeks ago. Would I call the people them and tell them to turn back? Eh? You're dumb again. When you go over there, go tell him something, tell her something, she can't come at me again. No, me I say, oh, well, no, no, because you laugh after me paying triple, and I think you get a triple off.
No, because of what you
and I'm
say.
dead serious. And I'm literally dead serious because this is something I work off of, work for. I don't intend to have it as a laugh after. Imagine how you feel if you see me there, so I work hard for my house and people can go Google it, say my house for sale.
You know me care. You already know that, so stop it.
Me don't want to hear about if you know you care. Me ask you a question.
Yeah, make me tell us that certain things, that's why I never want certain things to reach to the media. But see,
Triple! Answer me, no man!
And see, I say, what?
How you think me feel?
Girl, dog. Me don't know nobody say ask me say. Cause anybody would have feel fuck up about it. Me don't know nobody ask me say.
Triple, Triple, you're fuckery.
Oh, me a fuckery.
World
Yeah,
dog, anybody would have know. Well, I know. World dog, anybody would have know how me feel. And that's a fuckery. Make somebody come over and come. You don't have the energy there when me write. You only can come at me when you know people have 600 comments over there
You
saying me
need
fuckery.
to stop say so. Because
And I'm gonna say
nobody
it.
can, when it comes on to you, nobody can
Let me
change
ask you
my
something
mind.
again.
And it
Let me
has
ask-
been years.
Let me
So
ask you
stop
something
it.
again. Let me ask you something again. See? If you and somebody left, right? And you was wishing bad for them all these times, and them a sink you down in the ground, and I'm doing her so bad, would I still paying her bills every month and helping take care of her what she have to take care of? You think more than shame, Yannick? Me I ask you something, answer me.
So alright, so you pay our bills now.
Triple. Me I ask you one last question. If you don't give me the energy when me I question.
No,
and
because
energy.
no, me just
Me ask you something. Let me ask you something. Listen what me I try to say. If me there and I want pitney me have, I may pay for 3 person. I walk every day. I tell people say me a pussy hole and me not do nothing. And up to today, and I'm still taking a pay to take care of that 3 person. But you still a walk and drag me. And today you make it look like you ask me for $500. I'm in a gear. But I still have to drive to pay the babysitter and pay the babysitter. If me don't pay the babysitter Friday, me can call the babysitter and say, did you pay you? No. I have to give her the money. So within that, if you would feel like say, me a pussy hole, would I start pay the babysitter for my pitney alone, right?
Yeah.
So when me get up every fucking day and still pay for 2 extra people when they say me not care for our business for, me not get no credit for that. Me I ask you something. So when me pay for your son and your mother get taken care of, I don't get no extra credit for that when I am still here paying up until to the day as we speaking. But me a pussy one. Me not do nothing. Me a drunkro. Me a dog. Yannick do this because Yannick know the internet hate me and she look somewhere for run for look sorry for. I never ever once treat that lady like a shit. Otherwise, when I hear about the cheating. Me never look pan Yannick once and say, you forget it. Me I go fuck pan you again. This and that. Move your blood clot.
But if she tell we the people, so she asks you for 5 bills. Anybody that feel awake at 5 bills or that, anybody that it go feels like say, alright then, she not have nothing at all. 5
Triple.
bills?
Yeah, tell me say, yesterday, when you text me and ask me for the 500, hear what you text me say. You listen, you know, you want 500 for the kids. But you walk and tell people say, me not do nothing for Amir, Amir a real father. And you start make Amir call me mad dog Akeem. Why would you text me and said 500 for the kids if I'm such a deadbeat? Why do I still have to pay to take care of everybody in here?
You tell Amir
I'm
to
such
call
a
you
deadbeat.
mad dog?
Eh?
You tell Amir to call you mad dog?
The other day, me and my son in here, because I now make say you, me have nothing to say about Amir because I love that little youth so much. The other day, me and Amir in here, dog, and me and Amir a play. They going to come call Amir and say me use Amir for views. That's my son. Me grew Amir from all he can walk. Me teach Amir everything. You work, Yannick. When they did work, did they have babysit Amir and Uno de on the live and witness this. I the one who grow this little youth from in the almost bed. I give that little youth everything he want. And see me and you in an argument, you're going to call him and I say, me I use him for views. I grow Amir. Everything Amir know, I teach him it. I teach Amir everything. Me make page for Amir. TikTok page. Me do that. And me come. No make him feel like he don't have no father. Me are your father. Both say you have father. When me there around me a scoot for the place. I mean I Lambo washing. That's my dad. That's my dad. That's my dad. Oh my dad got a scooter. Dad want road black. Dad and me. And not because me and you go down the road. Me going to come and say, Amir, I know be pitney. You have to go do that with Amir. No. No. If Amir is your son and the love I have for him, when we go down this road, when we move out and you decide I'm not supposed to see him no more because me not have no part of that in his life, okay. But I will still be there and be a father to Amir because I love him as my own. And this is the only thing I am going to ask you for. Please don't take that little youth out of my life because I love him as my own. That's the only thing me I ask you for. Anything else I can take it. When me I come pick up my youth, more able can pick him up too. Me don't want him feel left out. I feel like nobody else going to come and ill-treat him. When me I come for my pitney, only thing me I ask you for. If he say he want to come with father, please beg you make him come. And I will treat him exactly how like when me did there. Because he's a child. That's the only thing I'm going to ask you for. Please. Anything else, you could take the car, take the house, and I'm moving out. So the only thing I'm going to come ask you for, please don't make me have to go down the road with the next son, stepson. I have done it 2 times already. And I love Amir. Even if you want to go party with your new man, bring him come and me pitney, me watch them. If you want to go on trip with your new man, bring them come. I will watch them. I will babysit them. Bring them come. No matter me come pick him up and him a crying and I say, I want to go with the father. I say, no go with him because I'm your papa. Please don't do that. Make me still have the communication with the dog and he can call me like when he call me and say, Dad, where you at? Father, what are you? Come home. That's all the thing. Otherwise, take everything. Me no want nothing else. Love me, I mean love when love me. Love when love me. Cause triple me and the youth them still sleep at night time. When I go in that room, when I dip on the road, I'm go for my youth and the morning time, I lift up Amir and I put him in that bed with me too. I not left him time, no time. I never go to the store and buy one thing for Azir and never buy for Amir. And I have been to the store numerous times and buy things for Amir and never buy for Azir. Because I love you little youth. But don't try to change your little youth mind from me and act like me at this pussy one. Because all I'm doing is just trying to be there. That's it. I have nothing else to say, Triple. If anybody want to beat me as cheater, wicked, I can live with it. But I love that little youth. And it's gonna fuck me up if my sister I have the bond there with Amir again. Because the little youth they do bring joy in my life. When me there sometime down, Father, put on my costume, make me laugh. Tantan walk like me. Walling fool like me. Everything like me. And me learn from. My son, I love him. Pick me, bro. That's the only thing. You can't beat me about anything else. That's my youth, that, bro. I'm gonna give a fuck when nobody wants to. Take everything else. That's the only thing I have to say, Triple.
Well, that made me feel that way a lot, Chief.
That's it, bro. I don't know why I feel like I cry that, but everything good, man. Not a sympathy over here, that. I'm good, bro. You see me? Not a sympathy for nobody, brother. I'm good half of people now, bro.
Alright, no matter with that, man. Gosh. Jesus.
So when you come, and I beat, man, bro. Talk to Yannick after here a million times. Beg her, bro. Never have to reach so far. Me cheat. And loyal is not the only girl me cheat with. But this is the only thing when I beg for, bro. I beg for you to reach for the media, bro. But you insist the company come vent and throw word. Never want this triple. I never want me and Yannick go down the road here. Yannick give me a beautiful little son. When I look upon that son. Triple. You know when I break down one night? Triple. To my son look. You see like how everybody has say, boy have a mother, my boy have for me. Triple, I come in 3 o'clock at night time, earlier, do. And come off my bed and come in my room. Tell me how that make me feel now, Triple. Break me. That fucking break me, dog. Me come in 2 o'clock, in jump off my bed, run go off my bed, lay down, under my arm. Now move. Rock him to sleep. It's me I tickle him, laugh. Sometime in my room, dog, the life from a promising man, bro. If you have a roof over my head every time with me and his mother, dog, I'm say it a fuck up. It fuck me up. It fuck with me. And me and Yanni could have worked things out without this touching the media in different way. Me could have moved out of house, paying the bills, and still could have come here where me could have looked for my son and you go have your fun wherever you want to. We could have done that, bro. I could have come and have my son same way where you respect each other. Me not bring no woman here, you not bring no man here. You have a roof same way where I can go look for my son. If me feel like I want to crash in a garage and blow up bed there, we crash here. Anybody me there with, I just live with him. I spend the night with my son. If he could have lived like that, I would fucking do it, bro. But don't come here and make me look like me a pussy dog and that me just ask for my name. My fucking name. I have a name, bro. But don't act like you want to brand it. Me, I could have left and I give you the house just to have the roof for the little man. Our son is sick. My daughter sick. My 3 kids them sick. I have 3 sick pitney. Come on, I can't get a fucking break, dog. I'm everything me do that, me do for you. You, Yannick. You say you want this, you want that, me give you. You want this, that, me give you. You want that, this, me give you. And all me ask for, dog, don't do this to me. And the same thing when me beg you enough to do. You do it, dog. If people them don't like me on the media, I'm sit down and I beg you this numerous times. Say, Yannick, please don't go on the media, go do me this. We can talk this off the ear. Keep everything. My name more important. I can turn on back my life and go get Lambo. I can go rent my place. See me look at you, dog. Look at you. Look at you, dog, did you, bro? Look at you just sleep in a bed, cocking foot on the mother, cocking foot on the father. I know me see me in a separate room, we are sleeping months. My kids are from bed to bed. Think that sit nice with me? I'm going to talk to you. Let's keep the house. I will go, bro. Just so my son can have a roof where you know have your badge and badge. That's all I ask for. But when I come and I talk and vent, everybody bash me. Everybody bash me. You not talk more time, I beg you, bro. I beg you. Please don't do me this. Me a media man. You know people them hate me. If you go do this now, you want me go? Me see up on the media, you're in the line. Me come in the kitchen, me say, Yannick, you really do this? Go do it for your kids them. Okay, let's do it. Tomorrow you're going for media again. You're going for media again with it. Triple this never have to reach so far. And sometimes you see me come and talk, Triple, let me admit something to you now. If you see a woman where you live in a house, and everybody where you talk bad boy up on the media say you're a pussy and you're not a real friend. And if you see when the beginning your woman come and start this and people are beat you, how you da feel, bro? If you see a woman where you vent about everything, come and do the same thing to your dog. Dog, that fuck with mates, dog. Lose all weight, bro. Force myself to vomit, a drink. And fuck up inside, bro. Once come and say, dog, I'm a vent to no dog, and you think I'll cuss me, I cuss you, I need dog, I'm a beg for vent. Yesterday morning before me come and me talk about this, me beg, say me want a place. And nobody never hear me, I cry. Yesterday morning when me turn on my life, I didn't give a joke. I was venting about a place and the people them can ask and tell you. Before me and Yannick come down the road, I begged and me ask the people them yesterday, say, people them know say more get on my place and go back tonight and find back myself because me adapt me ask the people them, me I tell them, me I do the, me I talk to the people them, this me tell them in the morning. Me come live and me I tell them, say people, me just want to find back my comfort and peace. So if I'm morning, me say, yes, I don't have no food, dog. Me drink 24 pack of bomb, me drink 24 Heineken from morning. Me got Bravo, me buy 12 pack of Heineken. And the two of them done. A Pepsi me a drink. Me have a bottle of Danulio when me just buy. It done. And beat me to all the people, fuck with me to all the people that might deal with me. And to the woman when me did love, make the people that might deal with me. But she knows say, I am not this fucked up person, bro. I'm tired of beat myself, dog. Tired. Sick, brother. Real shit, dog. Just tired, bro. But there, so, bro, I ask and I beg. Your mother there. Why you cussing bad word? Let's work around your mother. Work around your mother. Let's do some stuff. Let's have respect. You don't want that. You want build her against me. For sure, say, me and you are good on the road there. I have respect. Me have a, bro, every mother they alive, dog, and they sit here go on, bro. Me left long time. I joke thing this, bro. But when you come on the media, I don't know say cancel hero and cancel that. You just ask who I go on first. Ask. I love Yannick, but she pushed me away. And Loyal didn't force me to be with her, to be with her. Loyal have nothing to do with me leaving Yannick. And I'm not giving her no points if you say, hey, a loyal me a fuck now and a loyal me left you. No. I leave off on my own will. I'm tired. I am doing everything for you and you make me look like me not do nothing. You know, say me get money from TikTok every Wednesday. And if if me borrow $1,000 from you, if me borrow $1,000 from you, the Wednesday morning, the first message you text me, me can't get back my $1,000. All if you know say mortgage have to pay for $8,000. No, your man borrow $1,000 from you. And you see say your man, the mortgage have to pay today. You know link your man next week and say, babes, you know say you have a mortgage to pay. Give me $1,000 next week. You're under my skin. If me give Yannick 7,500 for pay mortgage, Yannick kill me for the rest. Me not bother you with the money. I don't ask. I never see one of your paycheck yet. I never. Yannick, your money where you make that, I make that in 2 days. I never ever see one of Yannick paycheck. I never ever go to bank and check Yannick balance. I give Yannick all my information. Yannick know all my cards, password. Yannick know everything. Never. So when she make it come, I look like loyal. Triple, let me sit down to you and tell her this. Loyal didn't let me left Yannick. Me left off of my own will. I feel like I get disrespectful. And I feel like I build my name from scratch. And people are bring me down. And I explain that to her. And all the thing I ask for this before I reach her, I respect. Because I didn't know they are going to come do me this on the media. Because once he run name night, when they now go pick my side, a few people are going to dip on it. A few people are going to dip on my side. The whole lot are going to have a narrative about me. Because I've been hate me from day one. But oh God, man, I'm a human being. Come on, brother. Me talk. So imagine. So let me ask you one more thing, Triple. Can we just get a text? Let me ask you one more thing. So you think me there, so paying everybody house weekly and everything I pay Marsha. And you are going to text me say, you want 2 buckle of formula and a 5 bills you want feed. You provoke me. Because I'm here paying to take care of your mother and your son. But now you want to provoke me and company media. Can't say it. And when she texted me yesterday about the formula, I say, Yannick, okay. You know what she texted me back and say? Me not go see you and wait upon you. And this and that. 5 minutes later, she did on live and talk about the formula. How would I feel? 5 minutes later, she did on live and talk about the 5 bills. We just have this conversation about the fucking formula. We just have it, but you're determined, say, you have provoked me to turn on your life because you want people bash me. You just asked me about the formula. Not even 10 minutes ago. But you can turn on your live and say, me asking for 5 bills. But when me I got BJs, me not ask for no money. I buy me pick the formula. I call the babysitter, I say, what she pick the want? And I buy it. I come, you start buy tissue in the house, I buy tissue. You don't buy napkin, I buy napkin. Listen what me I say, Triple. You don't buy soap again for me wash my clothes, I buy my soap. I buy my own bleach. I buy my own things and for clean the house. I do everything same way. What me I do? What the fuck me I do, Triple? She come and she clean her life and she left it and she don't left the place dirty. When Yannick in her life, me go back and Yannick and clean the house. You ever see Yannick on live and clean the house yet? You ever see Yannick on live and draw one broom yet? You ever see Yannick on live with a map yet? Let me ask you something. Answer me, no, Triple. You ever see Yannick on live yet with a map yet?
Always are clean. Yes. Meaning you always are clean for real.
And me clean.
Yes.
I me do everything. The bathroom do that. Everything. Up to today. The other day when Yannick downstairs, they live. I me run upstairs before she come back upstairs. And I take out all the carpet with her ear on the ground. And remember, I don't brush my teeth in that bathroom from March. and ear upon the ground. And you know what she do? She downstairs. And I go in the bathroom and I wash up the things them and I clean it. The room where she sleep in night, I don't sleep in night from Wappy Kill fill up. And I take up the things them, mop the floor, spray up in there, light a candle. Within 1 week ago. So how am I pussy, Triple? If I did that 1 week ago. You downstairs on your life bashing me and I'm upstairs cleaning the room and the bathroom that you're sleeping in.
I'll tell you the honest truth what I feel say. I feel say Yannick still hurt over the betrayal and I feel like all 2 year time she probably still hurt and I feel like it's not about the family.
But tell somebody that who care.
Me think say
Triple, tell somebody that who care. I mean, I listen to you, can you not give me benefit I don't? Tell somebody that who care.
And listen to what I'm saying. Listen. It is not about the formula or the money. To me, she thinks that you are giving loyal money and then there's something there, they tick her off. So she might come to you an ignorant type of way and why you do this and why you do that. It'll come from a place of hurt.
So what I explain to you. You don't hear what me just said. I'm fucked with that. So you don't hear what me just said. Triple, you don't hear what me just said. Me still up here.
Then I say we're not listening. When you see woman do them something there, as you say, she never used to ask of a farmer, she never used to ask that you always in a ditch. She asks now, I'm telling you, it's from a place of hurt. She still feel a way over the betrayal and she might not get over it for now.
Triple, let me ask you, you just hear me just say, Triple? Triple, you just hear me just say?
Yes, me hear what you say.
You hear me just say, me not pay for babysitter every month. Every 2 weeks. I pay for every week. Come on,
I thought it never used to be a problem, don't.
Hold on now. Hold on. So how you can come look for me and tell me? So hold on there. Hold on there now. May I ask you something? Can I not make you come down over here, you know? And ladies, and tell me if I'm wrong, if I'm right. Right, if I'm wrong, tell me if I'm wrong. If I'm right, tell me if I'm right. If you move on with your relationship, you can tell me who to give me money? Why you still watch my money? When me still take care of my room?
I should still feel a way.
People stop telling me, fuck it, I'm a bumbo clot ears. Yeah, your baby father left. Your business, your baby father give man money.
If me still loving me own business, if me not get over it, me own business world.
People, me ask you a question. Let me ask you something. You have somebody not there. You have somebody move on. You have beat the person on the internet. You have make people jog the person. Why your business what me do?
Me tell you no blood clot this. You can't move on and still I said pussy clot house. They don't make no sense. Once you still on the roof, no move on, no go on.
I'm here have strength for man. I'm here, me don't talk to you. Me don't talk to you, man. You see where your mind is.
It don't make no sense. You need I said raw sauce and
you see what you do, man.
This don't make no sense.
You see what you do, bro.
You know I said raw sauce.
You just want the people to beat me, bro.
When you're there in a different house, you don't tell me fart. Ciao. It's a different case.
You want the people them style me, bro. That you
no,
want.
No one will style you. You know then I see most. We know where we will really want me to say.
Yeah, I'm tell you this.
In a your mind no done. In a fear mind no done. Jesus Christ.
Let me tell you something. A foolish you chat to me as a big woman just a while ago. I have all respect for you.
Oh God. Once you in the same house together, feelings always travel. No care what you want. Feelings will always travel until you're not under the same roof. It doesn't matter what you say.
Listen to me I say. You see, you're biased.
Alright, well.
You're biased. And if you stop being like that, you're biased. And you need to stop being biased. So what you tell me right now? And there are two things me have to ask you. Two things. Solitary and him baby mother left. And Solitary come pick up in one car. The first thing you go ask Solitary who for car this? Sorry.
Then me don't know a car, me no must ask who for.
You're fucking liar. Let me ask you one more question. The first thing you go ask Solitary who for car this and you're not gonna come in it because yes or no. Wait. The first time Solitary pick up you on a date, I'm hearing talk this on the live. The man say, the first time he see you at one party and you dip your hand in his bag. Wait. Did you ask the man who for carry this? No, I ask you something. No,
but me
hold
didn't.
on. Answer the question,
Me
either
didn't
yes
was a
or no.
pink car. No, me never asked him.
Ask, okay, did you go in the car? Yes, right? Okay,
Yes.
wait.
But he never have no.
Okay, you say yes.
He never
Let me
know
ask you
woman.
something. Stripper, me ask you one more thing. One more thing. You are solitary. Move on right now. Move on. 6 months. You know a business together. You know talk about business. You move on, you do what you do. Me now watch you. Mutual feelings. You tell me say, if me see a girl, and me see a girl and I want slippers, me can't buy her one slippers what me like to see her in her. Because me and you there and you feel away. Me did there and me left and you feel away. You're a bias.
Nobody not say you can't
No,
run.
hold on. You can't say you stand up for woman and left that out. People move on. People move on. You're there yourself and you bash me. But you can't
Nobody
stand
not have
yourself.
a problem if you buy the girl 15 handbag world dog. Listen now, the problem is the posting and the styling, the white,
Triple
the
your garbage, that's
caption,
all. You ask me one thing, you go back somewhere else.
because
Stop
of that
it.
talk about you, so nobody should have a problem
No,
with your
no,
buy
no, no,
things.
no, 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 no,
We
no,
not
no,
have
no.
a problem with
You
your
ask
buy
me
no
triple. You
more.
know what I say? People, me don't want to eat me right now, but you know listen all triple and mix up my head for me feel like a pussy
You
hole.
just a say nobody not have
You
a problem
ask
with
me
your.
something and then you go back to your post. Me I explain to you about the money part, but you go back to your
But me I
post.
tell you why. Me I tell
Every
you
time
it's
you
not
cock
a
in our
problem what
blood
you
clot
buy.
corner and I give you uppercut, you can't say nothing.
Well, dog, the
Answer
problem
me the
is not
question.
what you buy.
Listen what me I say. Listen what me I say to you. You said to me, say, she's still doing stuff and still doing that. Me ask you something, right? Let me ask you something. Why it keep on happening? If we say we left, triple, if me and you there, and me buy you some stuff, and you buy me some stuff, and you take back his stuff them, and me leave you with his stuff them, and me say me and you left. You not buy me nothing, you not cook no food, me not eat it. You not do nothing for me in here. Nothing at all. I just my house and me I protect it. My place. And me can't end up and lose because I Yannick, me I protect this. You can't tell me to move out of this, to make it good on your drain. And my investment this. So let me ask you something now. We there so, and we are going to relax, and we are build. And me a reason and I show you say, yo dog, do this and do that. Me you left. No, me move on. Me I talk to one girl. The girl in a Tory Burge. And me I say to myself, say, no man, me and the girl I talk now. Make me go buy her a Gucci slide or a Chanel bag. Or a Chanel slide. Me you left. No. Me you left. How that affect you when you done bring me down? Remember you know, me you left. You not left on a good note. We left on a note where you make people laugh after me. And we left. So let me ask you something now. What is the problem if me buy one girl, one purse, or one slippers? Me you know there, you bring down a man. You bring down solitary. You bring down solitary. You had him left for 6 months. The man out here living life. You are live your life. You come now and see solitary of a girl. She post the slippers. Say, yo, the man buy me one slippers. You are going to get in your feelings and they get mad. And they say me I spend money per woman. Me in a day again. Same like when Akila mother, triple. Same like when Akila mother text me and say, me want you pay the full rent. And me say, no, me only can pay half. Me and you not there. And my daughter sick. Why it different from Yannick? When me and her have a kid and my son not half sick like my daughter. When me can look into it and say, you know, so she not gonna work today, let me help her. What is the different? What is the different? If you give benefit, I doubt. Enough time you pity them, enough time, and enough time I'm here cock up in a blood clot Lambo. And my daughter not driving at this 10 blood clot time. Oh, you never beat me, say, oh, you're deadbeat. When I'm here cock up in it, I'm here do video and him snap, and my baby mother come and they say, oh. And every time you pick him up, you pick up her in the Toyota. Every time you do this, you do that. But I'm here can do this. How you think me feel? I'm come and defend that. So how you think me feel now if you see my baby mother them a laugh after me going down this road? Eh? How you think mother feel? Don't come and just give benefit I doubt. Cause not uno alone a laugh after me. Real people a laugh after me. Otherwise, from fuck this media shit. It's my business about a commenter who want laugh after me. Me have real people that feel pain over this situation. You hear that? So if me can come to my baby mother and say, and me and Yannick live together, and if me want pay Yannick for $5,000 a month, make me do it. And she have my daughter. I must can say to Yannick, say, me and that together again. I move on. Say, me want buy a girl a slippers, me buy. What's wrong with that? If me can't tell me, pick the mother, that. You cannot be one-sided. Yannick is not my only baby mother. I have 3 other baby mother where in my skin from day one, where say this and that and that and this. And I play around it. You ever see none of my baby mother them come and bring me down for live yet? You ever see Zai mother bring me down yet? You ever see Akila mother bring me down yet? Akila mother is one of the best blood clot baby mother me have. That is a 26-year-old who act like a 42. If she sees something on the media, she's going to come to me and talk to me. And if me cuss her blood clot off, she going to come to me and say, we grown and we have a daughter. I'm supposed to can explain myself to you. I am not a media person who to go on the media go talk. So I'd rather come and talk to you as a grown mother. So everybody else can do that. Or Rashika can come cuss me off. I said, don't let me go tell them what you do for Amir and now do for me pitney. Oh, she can come in and my message can tell me that. And I click her live, can show a receipt. Eh? Oh, that. Oh, how much time it take blame? How much time? Suppose me baby, me two other baby mother them fi come now, come click live against me. Uno over here would have ate Yannick. Uno over here would have turned pan Yannick instant if my 2 baby mother them click their live right now. If Zai mother click her live right now. Zai mother don't like Yannick from me get shot and she block them from come my hospital come look for me. That's the problem Zai mother have with Yannick. And when she was calling Yannick, Yannick block her off her phone and block her off her Instagram and block her off her TikTok. I didn't see Zai 5 months after till I get shot. When my baby mother call and say, me want my son come see him father, you said nobody can see me. But she said, oh, you're up there. And you block her and hang up. From the time that me I go through tribbles and jubilation with Zai mother about Yannick. When she blocked the girl. No. Akila mother don't talk to her, don't want no friend from her or nothing. She no business. So come on, Triple. I didn't come and start and create this enemy amongst her. Yannick, you know, let me tell you, Yannick is a type of person where have a man, where want the man just stay by your side and don't have friends. Every time I come over here and say, big up Denise for thank you for put a roof over my head. When I go down and lay down after Denise just put how much millions for me. Dear them, all of them. You're going like a Denise alone, I showed for you. You know, remember what me do for you. Yannick, you are getting money. As Wednesday come and your money, I transfer it out of my PayPal to yours. You now call me name and big up them like how you big me up and say, Yannick, me live in a house. And me and you spending money. Me and you complain. You complain about me gift to them. You say me I fuck them. And me I say, Yannick, how you say me I fuck you gift to them? When I feed them money, I go in your pocket. Oh, you not big me up on live. You go over there, you big up Chevy, you big up DJ, you big up Sophie, you big up Rima them. Oh, you not give me no big up. Are you me a call it downside? Are you when we live end me I run towards you and say, babes like this, we make you know, we got number one. Are you me I do this? Are you me I do that? Are you this? Are you that? Me cut off people because of she. You're uncomfortable with this gifter, I cut off her. You're uncomfortable with this same person, I'm going to cut them off. So when we go wrong? Yesterday you turn on your live. It's same people them we have put food in your kids' mouth. You say, me gift to them a true cocky partner. No, tell me how my gift to them feel. Well, give me everything that I have. You overpay your life. I say, them a true cocky partner and not get no draw. Whoa, and not get no draw. Ray and this. And them just appear for the cocky and me get everything. How you think you people them feel? Your business woman with the on TikTok and beg me answer you hold up your head. And from today, me not feel like you're dead on my side. How you that feel? Stop it, man. Why them a throw a cocky partner? Why them a do this? Why them a do that? And the people them did it. Two of my people them text me. I said, what is Chippy? This don't look good. Two of my people them link me. Get me attention. Say, Chippy, what is this? You all cuss me gift about cancer. You cuss lay about cancer. You cuss a woman about cancer. You jump in a woman inbox where they by your side for years. You're there on phone and cry. The woman will decide that you. The woman will take plane from England. Come look for you. You sit down and cuss the woman and say cancer nyam out in blood clot. The woman will do every blood clot thing for you. You vent to. The woman left from England come look for you. Cry to you. And you cuss the woman say cancer. And near out the woman. Make the woman there in England and cry. The woman will cuss me for you. We stop come over here for you. We take the X off our name for you. When me disrespect for you. You cuss the woman say cancer near her out. All the thing me come here so. And me left them alone. You make me disrespect numerous of people. You come and make me disrespect my sister. You make me disrespect me gift to them. You make me disrespect my friend them. And I'm me alone sitting in a garage just so today. With not even you by my side. Or you think me fucking feel. Same people them. Where you turn around and tell me about. None of them know they are included you. So me there, me a hold it from when? Me a kick it from when? And I promise me people them, me say me nah say nothing. But dog, stop pokey beer, brother. Stop pokey beer, me sit down and me talk to you. Stop it, bro. You come, the woman show me message, Yannick. The woman show me message. Me have a gift to her name, Miss Duncan's. You vent to her, you call the woman pan break. You and the woman talk. The woman show me say, the other day you did in our box with your friend them, and you bring me down. And the lady say, although you vent to her and she cuss me too, the lady say, go in her box, and the lady say, stop it, Yannick. Woman get cheat on how you deal with it. You jump out her box and you tell the big woman, we support me, we can call off her ear and get 2 grand from, if you go suck out her mama. Your vice note the woman. Your vice note the woman and tell the woman, if you go suck out her mama. You pay for ear a cock. You one of them who want fuck him too. You did that. And I wall it. You call it, your vice note the woman, say woman a pay for fuck. And you buy cock. And you vent to the woman, because the woman show me message them. Every time you call her, every message, and the woman tell me what she say about me too. Me a wicked because of what you bring to a woman. Just like a Triple D say me a wicked. You come again. Me get shot. You're there at work. Chevy left where from New York. Triple, you don't know how long this is going, you know. Chevy left from New York, left for a job. Chevy is a single mother. And you're there at work, and you come for work, and me get shot in my leg, foot back. And Chevy come, and they clean it. And you text me about, you know, like this, a girl in the house, I touch your man. I never fuck Chevy or beg her pussy. Me and Chevy a friend, 10 blood clot years. And for me sick daughter, me and Chevy never exchange sex word. Or Chevy ever say me cock big. Or me ever say Chevy sexy. I put that on all my kids' life. Me and Chevy are so. And you come, and you text me say, you don't want a man, woman, I touch your woman foot, and you feel like me and Chevy are fuck. And you make the woman feel uncomfortable, you don't talk to her. Chevy in the house I talk to you, if you make Chevy know, so I catch you and he catch me and text other people. Just to make you not look nowhere. You come, you see me on the phone with Tommy Edie. Whoa, you can't tell Tommy Edie everything. If you see me on the phone with Triple, just like what you do the other day, you see me and Triple talk for the other day, you come last night, I cost Triple. Triple, help me. She's here. Triple, help me, dog. The other day, I go through my tribulation. Triple, help me. The other day, when they take a Lambo, and I couldn't reach my money, because my sister did their work, and I beg you say I last day because the people, they say when you take care, you have 7 days if you come collect it. 7 days. And when my sister did her work and couldn't give me money, and me I call you and say, all the people that where you tell your story can't give you 2 grand. And I see him loyal, where you cost. See me as stress, and selling me $5,000. The same girl there. Since you know how I talk. She turned to me and she said, I see you are stressed about your fucking car. You know you can ask me for help. I said, no, my sister did her work. And she said, you're not all right. You have the last day. Because every time you come on the phone, you talk about the last day. You don't have no hours. You wait for your sister. You don't have no time. And she said, and same as she send me the money. Me said, to Yannick. Enough time me there, ball. For help. And nobody not help me. You know why? Yannick see money when me make and think I am a millionaire. Let me ask you one thing. Yannick no call you and tell you, say me broke.
No,
Huh?
she never say you're broke.
Yannick call you and tell you, say me not no money. Come here talk about this already, you tell me yes.
But it was a broke.
And when you call, when you turn to Yannick and you say, hero can't broke. And I turn to you up on the phone. Well, on Triple. Because everything me attack, this are facts. And I turn to you and I said, listen to this. And I call my sister. And I turned to my sister and I said to you and my sister on the phone. And I said, tell Miss Triple what was my plan. And she turned to you without I even said nothing. She said, you're telling me you're going to act like you're broke now because you're not getting no help. Allow me I tell?
Mm-hmm.
Allow me I tell?
Yes.
Allow me I tell?
No, I mean that's what she said for true.
Okay. So when she walk and I tell people, say me broke, I just call Triple. Because me and my sister don't talk about this. Don't talk about it. Me say, you know what me I going to do? Me say, Yannick, when I spend everything me have, me go act like me broke. And Triple, me talk to Triple and the first thing me call me is Triple.
But telling her say you never have enough money or something like that.
Yes. Me I tell her me not have no money.
Enough money.
Me not have enough money. Can you put towards it and help me? And she tell us say me broke. And me call, when you call me and me call my sister, the first thing my sister step on the phone to you, I say, He's acting like he's broke. And you say, me know you're not broke in a hero. Me know you're not blood clot broke. And that you said to me on the phone.
But I told Yannick, I tell Yannick, say, I feel like I tell her, say you probably I tell her that because you don't want to split, and I never believe say you broke. But that's how you did tell her. But I tell her, say I lie that tell.
Yes, I saw you go for real. Yes. Me tell her I say me broke. And she did tell Triple, but Triple did say I lie, me I tell. But me I tell her I say me broke now because me need help. So you don't catch a pre when me I say people. So she run to Triple, I say me broke. So me just have me take me end me stand step at them. Me say, you know what? I go ease off of that big spending that me have. Me go stop do this and stop do that. And hold me own. And the same does everything when me plan come out. Soon as you see say you stop gay and stop do what you used to do, she go and do what she start do. Remember me tell you. And you call her with my sister on the phone and tell you that. Oh, if me no come on TikTok. If me come on TikTok this week, I make $1,000. $1,000 can't pay, you can't know it. Oh, you think me I pay you? Me I want TikTok when I come over every day and beg every minute. Me get to me take and gone. Oh, you think me pay you? I'm a savings. I'm a bomb clot savings. And if you never follow my mind, I go create one Space Coast Credit Union. Your blood clot. And that account, and I tell everybody this, that account, I don't put Zelly and I don't put cash up on it. So if you link me 2 o'clock at night, or only 5 bills me can get out at ATM, you have to wait till the bank open. So I was 10 step and making my own plans long time while you are watching me out. Because from me see me I spend, for you see, Triple. Every day, when me dey on favorite it, or every 2 days, me I transfer Yannick 30 to 50,000 every other day. Every other day. So you know what happen is, when me give her the money, she draw it and give me now one large lump sum. And me used to go and me say, don't take no $100 bill, take 20. Me have 200,000 in my drawer already, cash. Now look funny. Me have $37,000 in my safe right now. When me have not know the password. I mean, don't give a fuck about the password. And me go up in my safe right now. Me can put in 700 password and it still not work. Cause my son go in there go pack it. I'm a sure it. Me say, the money where you see me with, not because you see me with the money. Triple now, Triple. Let me tell you a smart move what I did have with Yannick. I make the money and spend mine. And the money where you have, you're safe and working. Nothing wrong with that? Eh? No, if me spend 200,000 within 3 months, I'm going to come to you and say, I want 2 grand. And you make fumble forget it. You're not going to sit down to yourself and say, where money where you make you save? Wait a go. Triple look for me no man, me I talk to you. If me sit down yourself and say, me no want none of your money where you work. Keep it. But me there yourself, me I spend 100,000 in a house. You can't give me 1,000 to buy a box of tile. An argument. That's what I'm saying. Me always will tell her, I'll give you everything. We give you everything. But Yannick know how much me make. And Yannick know how my pockets stay. So Yannick used that against me. Last week, me send Yannick a voice note. For she drive out here go Orlando. And Yannick no reply to my voice note until she reach around the man them to style me. You driving for 3 hours. My voice note yesterday. And you not answer back until you reach where you reach we go live. If you voice note me back. Because you want people laugh after me. Imagine, you're driving to Orlando and I voice note you. And when you reach up I man them yard, you have voice note me back. If you man in the background and laugh after me. No, let me say something again. When we have a loyal yard and you are call me, I say, loyal, go in our room. Is not that respect? And that woman owes me in her.
Oh God.
Eh? When me used to tell her, I said, bro, I have to go home to my woman. She always say, me know me I get myself into, so go on. So how me come and disrespect you?
Well, dog, Yannick is live now. Are you willing to talk it out and hash no differences and go on
People.
separate? Are you willing to
Me can tell her this. Me can tell her this respectfully.
Yeah.
And almost 2 o'clock. I'm going to say this to you. Respectfully. If you hear me come over here again and mention Yanni name.
You tell me last time.
No, me hear the attack today and this come up today. So me hear a reason now. Just say that. Me hear
No,
you
you tell me that already when me and
Listen what me I say to you. Listen what me I say to you. If you hear me come over here from tonight, this morning, and elaborate on this again, why you block me off of all media when me hear the and unfriend me. Me don't want you deal with me forever. And Denny's, DJ, all of me supporter them. If anyone of Uno come over here and hear me mention Yannick name again, don't you dare ever give me. Leave me, make me suffer. I am tired. I am drained. Please, listen to me again. All of me supporter them. If you hear me come over here and mention Yannick name again, none of you guys take up a red cent and even tap my screen.
Okay.
I am done. I am finished. I am going to pack my stuff and remove myself. I am done. And I don't want to go on no screen triple. Respectfully, I am going to remove. I am going to remove all of this from my name. So if me have to take a break, I will. If me have to come out of the house and go somewhere else, go do live, I will. If she's here and me come to pick up stuff, I am just going to stay in the garage until I have the space to go do what I do. But I cannot do this. It's breaking me. I am fucking hurt and I'm broken. But from tonight, 2 o'clock, I am done. You will never in all my kids' life come over here and mention Yannick again. Even she and Lyle go at it, or even if she have nothing to say, I will remove myself and come live and put on my costume and whine. And I'm going to say this again. I take accountability for everything that I said last night. And some of the stuff I said, I went too far. But deep down, I was talking out of anger and hurt. And me I share a youth, and some of these things wasn't nice. But everything else I said, I mean it. But I don't want to fix nothing. I want to move on peacefully, live my life, make content, and go stream. Anybody who must see me with, who respect the person, and I respect you also. That's the only thing me I ask for. And those this come between me and you and the kids them. You can work out a day. If me have the kids them in a day, you have them in a night, me have them on weekend, you have them on this. I don't want to do this no more. It's draining. I'm fucked up. I just want peace. So anything you see, me come over here so I can see again, triple. You not deal with me again. I have all right to go up on media. You say I am a wicked pussy hole. And you can even say me a batty man. You hear me?
Okay. Okay.
You can't go by your life, go say, hero. You know, say you're batty man. Me give you a go ahead. If you turn on your life and say, you know, say, hero, you're batty man, or you're wicked, or you're drunk. If you hear me come back over here and say something about Yannick, or say Yannick again, me done. I am finished. And I would respect Triple if you kill this right here.